Yes.
I beg to mention for listing of a matter tomorrow, Lordship.
What is the urgency?
Urgency is that, Lordship, one person is appointed as public prosecutor by the Deputy Commissioner, but in fact, Lordship, under Section 32 of POCSO Act, it is only the state government can appoint public prosecutors, whereas I am facing that trial, and that matter is fixed on 27th, Lordship.
It's
So
a bench pipe matter.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Tomorrow, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 55, madam. I am appearing for respondent number 3. We would like to file our affidavit in opposition.
55.
55, madam.
It's order matters.
Order matters.
Lordship, otherwise service is complete, your Lordship.
It's okay. You are for
One number 3, madam.
on the prayer of Mr.
You, Sharma.
U. Sharma, Learned Counsel, for respond number 3. List this matter after 3 weeks so as to enable him to file affidavit in reply, opposition.
Lordship, if a date can be fixed.
So Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. It's okay, we'll see.
Lordship, his bank account is frozen, your Lordship, so, and bank account is frozen, some are.
After 3 weeks.
Oblige, your Lordship.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I am praying for listing two matters, Lordship. One is I, Lordship. I regarding for deleting the name of the petitioner number 3, Lordship. 126, Lordship. Two matters.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 45. Item number 43, I have instructions to withdraw.
Mr. Ebert was Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this petition. Is an instruction not to press this report, accordingly. Petition stands disposed of, being not pressed.
My lord, I am appearing for the BTC Lordship hearing. Here in this matter, I am appearing for the respondent, that is BTC Lordship.
Liberty, praying for liberty.
With liberty?
Yes. May I please, your Lordship? I beg to mention for listing of a petition on 26, Lordship.
Why? What is the urgency?
Urgency petition, that this is matter is for sale of land. Lordship, petitioner is in condition of illness, so he has urgent.
It's pending
Lordship.
after a week.
Lordship, it may be taken
After a week, we'll see.
on Friday, Lordship.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18, Lordship. The Learned Conducting Counsel, Mr. A.K. Gupta is unwell, Lordship. Only for the day, Lordship.
18. On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the list this matter after 2 days.
Oblige your Lordship.
Wait, please, your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24 and 25, Lordship. Senior Advocate Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, Lordship, he has some personal difficulty
On
today.
the prayer of so-and-so, Learned Counsel. On the ground that the senior counsel, Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, this matter after 4 weeks.
Oblige, Lordship.
And I am mentioning for listing of a writ petition, my lord, for motion, my lord. It was filed 1 week ago, my lord,
Wednesday.
Wednesday, obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29. Lordship,
29.
agenda matter for the day and listed after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, so-and-so.
Oblige.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 39, Lordship. We have taken consent from the other side. I am for the respondent number 7, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, today we are going to file our affidavit in opposition, Lordship. So 1 week time may kindly be granted.
After 2 weeks.
Highly obliged, Lordship. May I please, Lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 14 and 52, my lord. My lord, these two matters may be adjourned for today, my lord. I have informed.
14 and 15?
52, my lord.
52.
There is an IA for hearing, my lord. My lord, what happened in this case, my lord?
52 and
14, my lord.
all 4 is motion.
Motion, my lord, what happened, my lord? One close relative of my senior expired today in the morning, my lord.
On the prayer, Mr. So-and-so, counsel for the petition. This matter after 2 weeks. And 55.
52. Lordship, I beg to mention item 13, Lordship. Can it kindly be taken up on Monday, Lordship? Next Monday.
13,
Yes, Lord.
on the prayer of Mr. So-and-so. This, after a week.
Lordship, I have another prayer for listing of an IA, Lordship. Herein we're praying for implement. An adverse order has been passed against us by the excise department, but they are not a party to the
After we-
pending. Lordship, there is some urgency because till December. We have to file-
I, for implement, what urgency is it?
No, implement thereafter we'll file an IA for staying that impugned order, Lordship.
Hmm?
So we have to file two IAs actually, but implement has to be first.
Next
That-
week, Monday,
Can it be Wednesday, Lordship?
Monday.
Friday at least, Lordship, please. There is
Then
urgent-
Friday.
Much obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, Lordship.
Hmm.
I have taken consent from the respondent side.
Hmm.
So they have filed one additional affidavit in reply. We
Hmm.
have to seek certain instruction from the client, Lordship. 21. Lordship,
On the prayer of so-and-so, learn the counsel for the respondent, petitioner.
petitioner, Lordship.
Petitioner. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 1, Lordship.
Hmm.
I have to take some instructions, which will be taken out next week, Lordship.
What?
I have to take some instruction from the petitioner, the matter will be taken up on next week,
After 2 weeks.
Lordship.
May it please your lordship.
1.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31, lordship. Lordship, matter adjourned for today, lordship.
On the prayer of so-and-so, learn the counsel for the list this matter after 3 weeks.
May it please, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, Your Lordship, with the
20?
22, Your Lordship.
Lordship,
I have taken consent from others.
after 3 weeks. No, after 2 weeks. This is-
matter may be fixed on 11th December, Your Lordship. 11th of December, Your Lordship.
11 is.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship. Please, Your Lordship. I have taken consent on the other side, Your Lordship. We are yet to file the affidavit in reply. Kindly grant us some time, Your Lordship.
Item?
23, Your Lordship.
23, on the prayer of so-and-so, learn the counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This matter after 2 weeks, so as to enable him to file affidavit in reply.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship, I
Yes.
beg to mention for urgent listing of a writ petition lordship.
What is the urgency?
Urgency lordship, the matter concerned with the petitioner submit a application for permission to conduct a lottery or
What
connection
urgency?
with the Dol Jatra festival lordship.
Permission to organize lottery. What is the urgency?
Lordship, is before Dol Jatra lordship.
When is the Dol Jatra? When it is? When it will be?
But lordship matter related with
Don't when Dol Jatra would be?
March.
March,
Lordship.
after 2 weeks.
Mass supplies.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention item number 7. Lordship, matter may be adjourned for today.
On the prayer of so-and-so, learn the this matter after 2 weeks.
May it please, my lord. My lord, with respect to item number 56 of the supplements, my lord. If there were parawise comments in this matter, my lord.
On the prayer, Mr. So-and-so, appearing on behalf of learned Standing Council, Finance and Taxation,
My lord.
but the 3 weeks time is granted.
I am
for
for-
them.
I am for the petitioner, my lord. It may be taken after a week, my lord. So my goods are seized, my lord.
Okay, after a week.
My lord.
But there is an interim order is there, my lord.
Hmm?
But interim order is there. There's not taking further course. It may continue, my lord.
Then after 2 weeks, interim order.
My lord.
Notice was not issued.
What is one of they are supposed to have instructions, my lord. Because there is a gross violation of provisions, my lord.
2 weeks, eh?
May I please your my lord? Yes, my lord, this is a request for listing a case on Friday. As the case was last listed 26 June. But was fixed after 6 weeks, but 4 months the matter is not listed. That's why I'm requesting.
After a week. After a week.
after the week. Okay.
You mentioned that
Yes,
after a week.
yes. Master. May I please your lordship, with the consent of other side, I beg to mention item 26 to 28 lordship. Kindly matter may possible for the day lordship.
What is the matter? Madam, what is the matter? What is the matter about?
Your lordship, in this case, the last occasion, lordship, original records call for your lordship, but that record is not available.
What is the matter about?
Land acquisition, lordship.
On the prayer of so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioners list these matters after 4 weeks. When is the last order?
Last order is a page number, my lord, 30, 2026, 2024.
20?
2024.
24. When did you file this epic?
This contempt petition has been filed in the month of November, my lord. But my lord, what has happened, my lord, if I'm, my lord may require,
Month of November.
month of November,
After,
after a gap of more than 1 year, 10 days, my lord.
then,
But my lord, if my lord may hear it, my lord, the hearing should has been taken, the operative part of the last order, my lord, is on page number 34. my lord.
okay, when did you file this contempt?
No, from
Sector-
15/7/2024, from that we have to take a 3 months, my lord, that it comes to 15/10/2024. From there on, the contempt will be start from 15/10/2025. We out to file the contempt petition of 15/10/2025. But my lord, what has happened, the statutory duty of the respondent is still continuing and subsisting, my lord.
Hmm.
Because we have filed a representation of 15/9/2025, my lord.
What is the order?
The order is at page number, operative portion is at page number 18, my lord.
Hmm.
Because they have violated, they have not complied with
Okay,
the,
when is,
past
when
two
what
orders
is the limitation now?
the limited, that, my lord, my,
Where it is?
34 page number,
Last order.
last order, my lord. The order starts from page number,
The order at least to have been,
29.
orders which you at least to have been violated is
The
page,
34. my lord.
Hmm?
34. The operative part is for 34. And the order starts from 29,
hmm,
Annexure D,
20 June 2026.
20 June 2026.
Yes.
The operative part starts from page number 34 at paragraph 18.
Hmm, how can be the first advertisement by learned citizens of Pakistan? For the ends of justice, was of the noted direction to respond to complete the election themselves of the orders passed again. In a period of 3 months from the date of. State of hearing. 15/07/2010. Huh? Huh? Hmm. Yes.
15/7/24, from there we have to take a 3 months, my lord.
Hmm.
Then it comes to 15/10/2024. The alleged contempt start from
Let us
15.
see. Contempt of court. Contempt of the courts.
Section 20, my lord.
Hmm. Yes.
Section 20, it says no court shall initiate any proceeding of contempt either on its own motion or otherwise after expiry of period of 1 year from the date on which the contempt is alleged to have committed, my lord.
So according to you, this 3 months period has to be
Pass, my lord.
deducted
Deducted.
for computation of 1 year.
Yes, for competition of 1 year.
But we are doubtful. Anyway, we'll issue notice. Hmm. Not Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for this. It's an application under section so-and-so, alleging willful and deliberate violation of the order dated 20/06/2024 passed in WPC 1154 of 2021. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondents, list contempt, list of. Next paragraph, considering the provision of section 20 of Contempt of Court Act 1971, although the learned counsel for the petitioner submitted the alleged violation is from the from 3 months after the order dated 20/06/2024. Accordingly, no, the present petition has been filed within 1 year. The limitation with regard to the limitation as provided of initiation of contempt proceedings, contempt within a period of one year shall be considered on the returnable date. This after 4 weeks.
May it please, Your Honor.
Yes.
My Lord, we are aggrieved by an order by which the District Council Authority of the Karbi Anglong, they have refused to, my Lord, pass an order of mutation based on sale deed. Now, the impugned order is at page number 160, my Lord. 160. My Lord, what had happened? Originally, these two tea states belonged to Hanuman Tea Company. Thereafter, the husband of the petitioner, my Lord, purchased the two tea states by a registered sale deed of 2005. Now, when we applied for mutation, my Lord, the mutation was rejected.
Sir, there is no 160, which,
It is 160, my Lord.
which
WPC number 5027 of 24.
item 5.
Yes, my Lord. At page 160.
Yes.
Srimati Ampho Ingtipi, wife of late Robin Brahma, filed an application for mutation of land measuring so-and-so of Lahorizan and Nirmal Kumar Tea State situated at Lahorizan Moza so-and-so. The applicant Srimati Ampho Ingtipi claimed mutation of the land, claiming that her husband late Robin Brahma is his own personal capacity and as president of All Assam Central Environment and Forest Protection NGO, had arranged the fund for purchase of both the tea states, and Messrs. Hanuman Tea Company had executed the sale deed dated so-and-so in favor of her husband late Rabindranath Brahma. Notices were issued to the recorded patta holder, namely Onimitra Ghatak, Chandrali Donali, Devasri Mukherjee, Messrs. Hanuman Tea Company Limited, Pelli Keji and All Assam Central Government Environment and Forest Protection. None appears for the recorded patta holder. Hanuman Tea Company and Pelli Keji were represented by respective council. NGO All Assam Central Environment and Forest Protection is represented by General Secretary Dilip Dayamari. An order was passed on 27/1/23 and 24/2/23 to furnish the original documents relating to the purchase of the two tea states. Srimati Ampho Ingtipi submitted an application on 24/3/23 seeking time to furnish.
Will issue notice?
Milord.
notice
So
to-
notice was already issued,
Well,
Milord.
it is listed for motion today, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, in connection with item number 3, my lord.
Hmm.
Item number 3 is the motion, my lord, and it is connected, my lord, with the
No,
petition
Milord,
number 5.
I'm on a slightly different point, Milord. Now, this sale deed, though nobody has sought any declaration in a civil court that this sale deed is not enforceable. So that way, Milord, the sale deed had attained finality. Now, please come to the, Milord, what I'm asked for, Milord, they will have to produce the record which Pattadar has, filed objection, Milord. This Karbi Anglong District Council, Milord, they're resorting to absolute, Milord, arbitrariness, Milord. Kindly come to page 161, Milord. No, Milord, what I'm trying to submit is,
My
Milord,
lord.
they should produce the record which Pattadar has filed objection.
Okay,
Because-
will,
Yes.
the notices issue will grant
My
them
lord,
some time
my-
to file the
file the
counter.
affidavit, my lord. We have,
And then you also produce the records.
Records, yes.
my lord, we have sent the, my lord, sale deed produced by the petitioner before the forensic science laboratory. Forensic science laboratory opined that the signature is forced. So, my lord, then thereafter, my lord, they preferred an appeal.
Yes, who has to declare it?
My lord,
Lord, before,
Oh, now
before
we are not,
receipt
my
of
lord.
the report of the forensic, they pass the impugn order.
my lord, we'll file the affidavit in this case, lordship.
Obviously,
My lord.
obviously, we'll grant you.
My lord.
But then unless it is.
No, it is only for by mutation, my lord. So on the basis of the forged document, whether land can be mutated, when there is title, there is a dispute between the title. So the matter is.
No, who
not
is
be
the
decided by-
dispute regarding title?
My lord, we'll file it, my lord, who is the.
My
issue,
lord,
my lord.
let us be very clear about one thing. My learned friend is appearing for an authority.
No,
He
this-
should know, my lord, what to make, what
lord.
submissions to
That's
make.
something-
Who has disputed
the
this
sale
sale
deed.
deed?
My lord,
Maybe forged or whatever.
Huh.
It is declared.
application was filed before the authority, my lord. So the sale deed submitted by the petitioner was sent to forensic science laboratory. Forensic science laboratory opined that it is the signature is forged. So, my lord, that is the finality, forensic science laboratory will file the affidavit to that.
Who is the
effect.
authority to declare it?
We have not declared, we are not
Invalid.
declaring it, my lord.
Lord,
Only it is for mutation.
Has to be declared invalid.
No, my lord, it is for
Or
mutation.
non-valid.
My lord, for mutation, both the title and position is required. When there is a title is dispute, whether land can be
Who is
mutated.
disputing?
So what is
My
the
lord,
meaning of
no,
title is
my-
disputed?
my-
Who has raised that question?
My lord, there are 3 parties. One party, petitioner number 3, he raised the dispute. My lord, item number 3, petitioner, my lord, his motion is there. He disputed it, that land belongs to him. So, my lord, that is the dispute between the
The
parties.
land
my-
belongs to him, go, let him go to
Not-
civil court.
not-
Why are you defending him?
Notice has been issued.
No, my lord, Lord,
In
will
item
kindly
number
see,
3, no notice was.
this is not a matter which should be left at like that, my lord. If my learned friend's client has any dispute that he is the owner, then he should go to civil court.
It's
My lord,
okay.
there is a
We'll consider-
registered sale deed. No civil court has
Sir, we'll
declared.
consider it.
Yes.
Give them a chance to.
No, they have filed it, my lord.
Your lordship, if my,
No,
As far as-
a second. Look, what I'm praying for is, my lord, they are saying that somebody from the Hanuman Tea Company, that is my vendor, they have raised an objection. As far as we know, nobody has raised objection because we paid them, my lord, 3.5 crore. Therefore, the record should be produced to show who is that from the Hanuman Tea Company who has raised this objection
You have
regarding
purchased,
mutation.
This Hanuman Tea Company.
Between me and the company.
Just wait. You have purchased.
I am
the
the possess, I am in.
Just
possess-
wait, sir.
my lord.
Regarding his
All your
case,
horses.
My lord. My lord, civil dispute is pending in the court of.
We'll see,
My
we'll
lord,
see. You
my lord,
bring on record,
My lord.
you file the
Yes.
counter affidavit and then place the
my lord,
report.
my
We'll see.
my lord.
All right. The notice has been issued in this,
Yeah,
item
everyone.
5.
3 and 3, 4, 5 notice has been issued.
Item 3, no notice was issued.
Item number 3, your lordship is there. The issue is that since the garden is under my possession, I am paying the provident fund, I am taking care of my laborers. There is a systematic encroachment has been going on in my land. So for which we have approached this honorable court. The honorable court directed the KAC to demarcate that land and provide the protection. But till date, the KAC has not done. So repeatedly we have moved. So this is 3, the item number 3 is the last matter which have been asking for the same protection. So the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has to come and say, protect my land. But till date, they have not been doing it. The systematic encroachment is going on in my land by some other.
In that case, it's not a similar matter. Facts are different, sir.
No, it's same land, my lord.
All are interconnected.
Both are connected, my lord.
All are interconnected.
Both are the
My
direct-
learned friend's client is a native of Nagaland.
Hmm.
And under the land laws of Karbi Anglong, he cannot own and possess land in district of Karbi Anglong.
No, I bought it from the company, your lordship, because company got defunct. Bank issued a notice.
Anyway, my lord, I
Yes,
don't think
yes,
he
we
can
can.
own and possess land in Karbi Anglong. For the simple reason, the land law of the Karbi Anglong does not permit him.
So notice has been already issued.
Yes.
Item number 3 notice was not issued. Let's look at item number 3 first.
Will, in that case, we'll pass separate orders.
My lord.
No, Lordship will issue notice in that case. Lordship will fix the matter for disposal at the admission stage. It's not a very long matter. And they will produce the record, my lord, who has filed objection to the mutation. No, because they cannot act on their own.
So you are challenging this rejection.
I am
of-
challenging the order of rejection of mutation.
Yes. What is your
Mine.
grievance, huh?
My grievance is that my land has been systematically encroached. Let the authorities comply with the direction issued by this honorable court in writ petition.
Okay, it's your case is item 3.
Item 3, my lord.
What is the item 4?
Item
But I
4 was
think
for
he
the civil
should go
application.
to civil court, my lord, where he should pray for his injunction.
Because your
High
lordship,
court is not the forum.
kindly see page 17, my lord. Kindly see page 17 of the
It's
item
okay,
number.
I'm just asking what you want, whether this relief you have prayed for are similar to this item 5, that is what I wanted to know.
No. Item 5 is different, my lord.
And we'll pass a separate order.
Yes, your lordship.
Maybe they are taken up together, but separate order.
Yes.
Heard, Mr. in item 5, huh? Ken Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, assisted by so and so learned counsel for the petitioner. The notice was issued long time back, in 2024.
Yes.
Uh, Next, and also heard Mr.
J. Sukia.
Standing Council,
KAC.
AAC, correspondence. This is the challenge is met, the challenge made in this writ petition is to the order that is 17/03/2024. Whereby the application submitted by the petitioner for mutation has been rejected. Mutation of land of Lahorijan Tea Estate. And Nirmal Kumar Tea Estate has been rejected on the ground of the doubtful of the genuineness of the, on the ground of the genuineness of the sale deed dated 15/03/2004. Next paragraph. Notice was issued on Webeck on 04/10/2024. However, no affidavit, counter affidavit has been filed until today. Mr. Considering above. And on the prayer of Mr. Chuchi Learned Standing Council, KAC. For the 2 weeks time is 2 weeks,
3 weeks, man.
3 weeks, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit and also to produce the records. List after 3 weeks.
And they will produce the records. my lord.
That's it.
Yes, Deeply.
In item 3 and 4.
Hello. 4 notice was issued. Item number 3 notice was not issued. Okay.
Not Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Yes, your case is You can approach the civil court.
My lord, your lordship will kindly come to page 18 of this item number 3. We approached this honorable court on a similar facts. The honorable high court at that point of time kindly come to page 18.
No, in that case,
My lord, what happened, the high court said that,
doesn't mean that, I mean, on subsequent that you keep coming.
no, my lord, they were supposed to exercise it for demarcation.
At
Till
what-
now, they have not done it.
Then you have, what is the next?
No, of course,
If they
civil
have,
court
if
is-
you have not violated, if you have no, they have violated the court's order, then
No, contempt is there, your lordship. Contempt is there. Now, what happened on the last occasions, the court, the AAC said that our representation will be disposed of. So on last date, we approached before the KAC. Till now, the matter is kept pending. KAC has not passed any order.
So?
So this is the factual thing.
well, not accordingly, heard Mr. So-and-so land counsel for the petitioner. By filing this application, the petitioner has sought for a direction to the respondent authorities to restrain and evict the miscreants from trespassing in the Lahorijan and Nirmal Kumar T estates. List of issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. Mr. So-and-so land counsel enters appearance,
So respond number 2 and 3.
respondent 2 and 3. No formal notice need be issued. However, extra copies be furnished to ensure. Who is for the Assam?
I'm for 1,
Uh,
4, 5, 6, 7.
And then you write. And so, for all the response, formal notice, they have extra copies. List along with WPC 5027 of 2024. Item 4.
Or notice has been issued, my lordship may grant us some time, 3 weeks
On
time
the
to
prayer
file.
of so-and-so. Heard Mr. So-and-so, on the prayer of Mr. Tichuti London Standing Council, J.
Yes.
AAC, for the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition. List along with, we'll list it to.
My lord.
Milord, I'm sorry to make one mention, Milord, item number
Both of
13.
you are claiming the
No.
same land.
Same land, same land.
Enable, item number 39 was mentioned
Of the-
here for the petitioner, Milord. We have filed an IA without informing us, this matter has been mentioned.
And we.
Yes, 39.
Item 39. Who mentioned করেছিল?
There is no consent. taken.
Anyway, Milord, no
There's no
consent was taken.
No consent was taken. No, no.
নাই লোক, আর
I have
কথা বলেছে।
had received the call, no consent was taken.
Milord,
They
we
only
have
informed
filed a IA. Anyway, Milord, Lordship has
uh,
passed an order, let the matter be taken up on Friday.
Friday of next week, whatever date. may be.
Friday.
This Friday?
Yes, yes.
No problem. More, he
We-
called me
we
up.
have said-
I'm
We
there.
have said,
No, it's,
uh,
lordship
three-
has not
3
fixed
weeks.
after 2 weeks. That's the difficulty because IT,
So next week,
Okay, Monday, next
the
Monday.
date may be fixed, lordship.
Next Monday.
No
Milord.
problem.
this is inform who has.
Next
mentioned it.
Monday, Milord.
No, they are there, they are there. Next.
Monday,
Keep-
we'll take it up Monday.
But.
Yes.
Madam, this is regarding acquisition of land by National Highway for the for construction of National under Bharatmala project, madam. The respondent acquired about 2 bighas land from us. And as per last order, I have been instructed to receive the instruction from my client whether they have received any payment or not. Partial payment they have received, not as per the
What
total
partial payment?
partial minimum payment. That's why this petition is filed, my lord. We are
Huh?
challenging this that not by as per adequately not compensated. That is why, my lord.
Lordship, why-
Lordship,
why-
if that submission is made by the council board of petitioner, Lordship, that petition is not maintainable, Lordship. Under section 305, Lordship, if payment is not, if payment is not satisfied, Lordship, he is to approach before the learned arbitrator as per National Highways Act, Lordship.
I have submitted a representation to before the
He is
Kala.
submitting, Lordship, he has received something, Lordship. If that payment is not sufficient, Lordship, he has to approach, Lordship.
Can we go through the language of my application? That's not adequately compensated.
No, yes,
What does
for
it mean?
adequate compensation, 305 will come, Lordship.
No,
305, Lordship.
My lord, in the similar
Hey,
situation,
have you said that you have received?
some amount I have
Yes,
received.
Lordship.
Why you have stated?
Yes.
My lord, because not adequately compensated, that is why I have come before your.
No,
honor.
no, it's not ordinary commission.
Lordship, kindly three Z
You
five.
should have clearly mentioned that this much of amount you have received, which is not adequate
Yes.
as per the law,
I
you
have
are claiming.
Page 33, kindly see a representation I have submitted before the.
But the
addition.
question of representation,
No, no.
you
Law is not
have
considered.
to make a statement in the
May I submit, my lord?
meeting.
In similar other cases, this matter has been sent back to the Kala, my lord, for consideration, arbitration, my lord. I have annexed a order.
What is the, this is acquisition
Yes,
under National Highway.
Three Z five will come, Lordship.
Three,
3Z5, Lordship. I have 3Z5. Either of the parties, Lordship. If payment is, Lordship, any dispute, Lordship, not sufficient. An arbitrator already appointed by the central government. Now he is taking the cases also, Lordship. And his prior is also, Lordship, for
payment has been made as per the calculation, as per by.
They said my lord payment, but my, to my instruction, my lord, they have not received such a one. They said it's totally paid, my lord. That is the dispute.
No, how much you have received?
I have received only for 2 kata land, my lord. As per today, I have received instruction from them.
Then,
Out of 2 biga, only 2 kata land amount I have received.
then you have to file and to approach the,
arbitrator.
not to this taluka or something, which you, application, you have filed application before whom?
Additional district commissioner Kala, my lord. At that time, my lord, when it is filed, that thereafter, my lord, arbitrator has been appointed, my lord, to my information
Why?
thereafter. So this matter may be referred to arbitrator, my
No,
lord.
we will not refer. You approached, you have to file an,
Application, proper application. before
is
the
there any
arbitrator.
liberty?
My lord,
Application you file before the arbitrator will
Yes.
allow you to withdraw.
kindly,
With a liberty.
page annexure 6, my lord, kindly see, my lord. I have a similar, this honorable court has referred, my lord, this kind of. The similar order may be passed, my lord.
This is an order only. Hmm?
Annexure 6, my lord.
Yes.
Yeah. Para 6.
5 and 6. Important কি লাগে এটা লিখে পারে
Yeah, we'll give you a liberty to approach
Yes,
the
yes.
file and applicant, that's all.
Yes, my lord.
That's it. That's all,
Yes. It will do, my lord.
Limitation also, Lordship.
nothing more than that.
I'll submit a
It's
representative.
up to you, rather. Okay, heard Mr. So and so, learned counsel petitioner, and also heard Mr. All of them, huh?
I'm for respondent 3, my lord.
The petitioner, next pair, claims to be the owner of the plot of land situated at Moja Kalinagar, Part 1, PS Panchgram, District Hailakandi, covering Dag number 315, Patta number 123, and Dag number 320, Patta number 125. List of. It is contended that the land of the petitioner has been acquired by the government of India under the highway, National Highway, under the National Highway Act 1956. acquired the land measuring, 2 bighas. Mr. The grievance raised to the effect that the compensation has not been paid by zonal valuation of the acquired land under the provisions of the National Highways Act 1956. Aggrieved of such inadequate compensation, the petitioner filed an application. Who is respondent number 4? For the District Commissioner, Hailakandi. Mr. According to the petitioner, according to the respondent number 4, the District Commissioner Hailakandi has not considered the case of the petitioner as on today. Therefore, seeks a direction to consider and dispose of its the representation of the petitioner. Next paragraph. When this matter was taken up on 0309/2025, the London State Council had submitted on instruction had submitted that a compensation, entire compensation has been already paid on 08/08/2024 and 04/10/2024. List of next paragraph. Today, to which Mr. A.Y. Chaudhary,
Yes, ma'am.
Learned Council, submits that he has on to which the Learned Council, Mr. A.Y. Chaudhary, sought for a time to obtain instruction. That today will be out, deleted first one. Now you just today, Mr. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has received the compensable amount, however, same is inadequate and not in accordance to the market value and the revised rate for the land acquired. Please come. Mr. So, what's your name?
R.K. Talukdar, Lordship.
R.K. Talukdar,
Standing Council NSIDCL.
the Standing Council, NSDCL, ECL. Referring to the provision of section 3G,
3G5.
subsection 5, submits that if the amount determined by the competent authority is not acceptable, comma, the petitioner has to file an application for the arbitrator for its determination. Christopher. Therefore, the petitioner having not been availed the remedy under the provisions, above provision, comma, the petition is not maintainable. Next paragraph. The consider the submissions of land concept of the parties. Next paragraph. Section 3G as 3G within bracket 5 of the National Highways Act 1956. Provides that the amount determined by the competent authority is not acceptable to either of the parties, comma, the amount shall, comma, on an application by either of the parties, comma, be determined by the arbitrator to be appointed by the central government. Having considered that the petitioner has not filed any application before the, for to be determined by the arbitrator to the arbitrator for determination of his claim, determination of the claim of the petitioner, comma, I deem it appropriate to dispose of this writ petition by granting liberty to the petitioner to file application before the competent authority under in terms of section 3 before the competent authority for determination the claim of the petitioner in terms of the section 3G within bracket 5 bracket close of National Highways Act 1956. That's all. Writ petition is then disposed of. We are just granting you, providing you liberty. It's up to you. Yes, yes, sir.
Your Lordship, this petition is against the police inaction. Your Lordship, the petitioner had purchased a 3 BHK flat from the private respondent number 6 for rupees 65 lakhs. And after that, sale deed was executed.
What sort of petition is this?
Yes.
You're taking compensation also.
Yes.
Why?
For, said, Your Lordship, this petition is against the police inaction of the FIR.
What inaction?
registration.
Is it established cognizable offense?
Yes, Your Lordship. Robbery was there.
Probably.
Your Lordship, private respondent number 7 and 8 had forcibly
Or
entered.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petition. Notice was issued or what?
No, not yet, Lordship.
By filing this,
May I submit on the Lordship? He has filed this case for police inaction, Lordship. Some officer in charge, he has filed a FIR. They are not party, Lordship. Only DGP is party, Lordship. Officer in charge is not party, SCP is not party, Lordship.
No, it was very certain. DGP and SP Amitabh Bosumotari.
By name, they have made party lodging.
And officer in charge of police, Paltan Bazar Police Station. Okay.
Why by name?
By name, they have made party lodging.
And number 4.
Anyway, up to them, up to
Okay.
him. By filing this application, the petitioner prays for a direction to the respondent authorities to register a criminal case against the criminal case in response to the FIR dated 03/09/2025. List of issue notice returnable but 4 weeks. Mr. So learned counsel for the State Council enters appearance on behalf of respond 1 and 2.
I'm for 1 and 2, yeah.
1 and 2.
Yes, sir.
No comment notice need be served. Or by extra copies be furnished to the learned counsel for the respond 1 and 2. Petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is the? So.
Tell your best.
Make your lordship. My lord, kindly have a look on page 33. Yes, in the court's order, my lord, certain observation made in my contempt petition, my lord. Lord,
What do you want now?
from paragraph 3 onwards, my lord. So ensure respondent number 2, being the Deputy Commissioner Kamrup Guwahati, has made a statement before this court. A process has been undertaken by the Deputy Commissioner Kamrup to bring to the land settlement proposal of the petitioner to its logical end. But there is also requirement to production of next of kin certificate by the petitioner. In view of the above, the contempt petition stand closed, requiring the petitioner to submit the necessary document, that is the next to kin of certificate as required by Deputy Commissioner. And upon the next to kin certificate being submitted by the Deputy Commissioner Kamrup to bring a process of logical end. My lord, accordingly, we have furnished, and this is the order, my lord. Circle officer made an application to the Deputy Commissioner that we have furnished this document. That is 16/8/2024.
Okay, we'll issue notice what's there.
My lord, in this case, my lord, since they are doing nothing, my lord, I have made one application at page 43 and 12, my lord. My application is done. Let the authority concerned to examine my case and dispose of my representation.
Notice.
And let the instruction.
Instruction is required. Lord.
Instruction, my lord. Let
Instruction.
instruction on my representation, my lord.
At least the notice may be issued, Lord.
Yeah, instruction may be called, my lord.
Lord, Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner claims to be in continuous possession of plots of continuous possession of plots of land under Doug number 453 and Doug number 457,
My lord.
measuring 1 bigger, 1 cutter, and 2 biggest Kuchi under Panbari Moja, Sonapur, within bracket and bracket close. Panbari Moja, Sonapur, huh? Press for direction to the respondent authorities to convert public regularize the said to plots of land to minor patta in favor of the petitioner. Next para. It is noticed that in earlier proceedings, the direction was issued to the respondent authorities to consider the grievance of the petitioner. However, it is stated that it is contended that no action has been initiated on the part of respondent authorities as on today. Considering about Mr. Sharma, Goswami, so and so,
1 to 6 notes. All the respondents.
to obtain instruction,
Yep, Lord.
at least after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged, please.
For time in machine and regular code.
What is the matter? Will issue notice?
That's it.
Will issue notice? Heard Mr. So and so, learn counsel for the petitioner. Petitioner claims to be registered partnership form. Which deals in transportation of livestock, i.e. buffaloes from West Bengal to Dhubri district, having its stockyard public shed at village Tiamari, part 2 of Dhubri district, is allegedly agreed by the alleged seizure or obstruction with the transport of buffaloes by the buffaloes and as prayed for a direction to not harass the petitioner in their lawful trading in transporting buffaloes. Stuff. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. All the respondents, not so and so, learned council, state council. You are additional senior government.
No, junior government project.
Union government, so and so. Enters appearance and accept notice on behalf of others. No form in notice, have a accept opinion. This after.
Obliged.
Yeah, please, Lordship. Lordship, under section 14 of the SARFAESI Act, the destination bound to, my lord, hand over the position of the mortgage property to the bank. Now, Lordship, on 18/9/2025, representation was submitted by the bank to the co-district magistrate for compliance of the handing over the position. But till that, nothing has been done. Therefore, my lord, in a similar matter, Lordship, this honorable court directed within 30 days, the property has to be handed over. Lordship, please to pass the order, then it would be helpful for us. Lordship, page 67 is the, my lord, representation.
Who is the authority to hand?
My lord, co-district magistrate, my lord. Under the act, this is provided, my lord. Page 67, my lord.
Then surface matter is will before the division bench.
My lord,
yes.
sometimes the division
go.
bench, but Lordship, so far this case is concerned, my lord. There is a case, my lord, it is not a service is seeking, my lord, any relief in regard to, my lord, attachment, etc. There is a case, the representation has not been considered, my lord.
No, that way, this is,
It will go to the division bench.
this is by the division bench only.
Lord.
It will go to the division bench.
Lordship, otherwise, Lordship, it is not, surface is normally dealt with the division bench. In case
Then
of
why
the-
you are relying this? This is passed by division bench.
Lordship, my lord.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Jurisdictional deputy commissioner in taking appropriate state towards
My lord.
facilitating property mortgage by sale. Petitioner have contended,
Lordship.
so place before DB.
Yes. Appropriate.
Place before the. No, as the matter pertains to surface, raised it to verify and place before the appropriate.
My lord,
bench.
may I pray on Wednesday, my lord? Or Friday, my lord?
Let the registry verify. Let's just surface here, surface so and so.
Make future Lordship. It pertains to cancellation of GST, my lord.
Huh?
Matter pertains to cancellation of GST registration, my lord.
Ah,
The GST was cancelled only for the one default, my lord, that he did not add the bank account, my lord.
where is the cancellation?
But Lordship, you find that page
Yes, what
15.
is to be done?
Sir,
After instruction,
Similar issue came up before the.
obtain instruction.
Fine.
Similar issues.
What came up before the Telangana High Court, my lord. Telangana High Court held that is not a major, my lord, default. Is only because of non-adding of bank account, it was, my lord, cancelled. So directed for revival on adding a bank account. In this case, I have already made an application for adding the bank account, my lord.
Obtain instruction.
Yes,
Or Mr.
RS Mishra, my lord.
and counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship will page 15.
Page 15.
My lord.
Agreed by the order for cancellation of registration.
Four seven 24.
By communication, by impune communication dated 4/7/2024
Four.
by the superintendent Hailakandi range. GST,
Lordship.
GST,
Lordship.
GST, superintendent GST Hailakandi range. Come on, sir. This petition is instituted. Just come. Mr. Here,
Lordship. For all the respondents.
SCCAR, then standard GST. To obtain instruction, list after 2 weeks, 3 weeks,
Next 2 weeks.
2 weeks,
After it, Lord. On 9th.
after 2 weeks.
Much obliged. Also better pertaining to non-payment of compensation in respect of my acquired land and ordered at 13/5/2025 passed by learned additional district commissioner. In connection with my case, Lordship.
Where it is?
The case is that I, along with respondent number 9 to 11, are the joint owners. The land in question are the ancestral land of ancestral land that has been acquired for the purpose of railway line level crossing bridge. And payment of compensation has been fixed. And in that case, Lordship, I have made several references to the concerned authority to release my 1/4 share of the compensation. On basis of one of my explanation, the learned additional district commissioner, Lordship, may kindly come to page 27.
Rejected your claim.
Yes.
Page?
Page 27.
Ah,
Operating person. Last paragraph, considering the circumstances stated above and in view of the fact that no formal declaration affidavit has been submitted by the parties, the undersigned is of the view that the compensation amount should be appropriated based on the position of the Pattadas over the acquired plot of land. The land in question, the ancestral land, Lordship, compensation has to be paid not on basis of my position, and that is to be paid on basis of my share of titles. The order is apparently wrong, Lordship. And construction has been already completed 2 years back.
heard Mr. So-and-so learn counsel for the petitioner. challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 13/05/2025, passed by the additional district commissioner. Yeah,
Yes, Lord. Land
yeah,
within bracket LA, land acquisition.
in LA case number 02/2022. Whereby the whereby it is held that compensation amount should be appropriated based on the position of the paternals over the acquired plot of land. Mr. accordingly directed the circle officer in securing the circle to ascertain the share of each paternal in respect of the acquired land and work out the compensation amount payable to each paternal. Next paragraph. It is the contention of land council, Mr. For the petitioner that since the land is an ancestral land
Yes, Lord.
of the petitioner. The land acquired, is an ancestral land of the petitioner for which he is entitled, he or she, he, the, for which the petitioner is entitled to 1/4 share of the compensation amount, the order directing the order holding that the compensation amount should be appropriated based on the position of the paternals is by the additional district commissioner is not in accordance with the law. Is not sustainable. Next paragraph. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. All the respondents,
2, 3 and 4.
all of them. Interest appearance on behalf of all the respondents, no formal notice need be sent. However, extra copies be furnished to the. Any private respondent?
Yes, Lord. 9, document number
And so. Petitioners to take
9 to
steps
11.
for service of notice upon respondent number 9 to 11.
Yes. Obliged.
Register for so and so within 3 days.
May I please, Your Lordship? Number 8 is the elected in violation of the Panchayat Act. On the date of the filing of the application, nomination,
Who are you?
I am the contesting candidate petitioner against the respondent number 8. And he was elected in violation of the Panchayat Act, section 1112, subsection 8. So in similar matter, Your Lordship, notice were issued here. So I'm praying for notice at this stage.
My lord, the grievances against the respondent number 4 is represented by my colleague, but copy not sir and cause this also not showing.
Who is respondent number 4?
District Commissioner. District Commissioner.
District Commissioner, ma'am.
So notice may be issued, I will also supply a copy.
In fact, State Election Commission is also not reflecting.
Is it not a case of disqualification?
Maybe, but some facts are also there, my lord. Allegation, my lord. And only prayer to dispose of, my lord, the representation. So at least in the presence of the private respondent, my lord, that can be disposed of.
A
my lord.
Quaranto is also there.
Huh?
In their Quaranto is also there.
Toronto.
Yes.
Notice may be issued, my lord. And state election commission and government of Assam may be reflected, my lord.
Heard Mr. Will issue notice?
Yes, yes.
Land counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner claims to be candidate for Panchayat election and contested Assam Panchayat election 2025. It claims to have contested the Assam Panchayat election 2025 for the post of ward member for ward number 10 under 50 number Govinda Ganja Nagendra Nagar Gaon Panchayat in the district of Sribhumi. Next paragraph. Challenges the election of the respondent number 8 on the ground of violation of Rule 62 within bracket 1 section bracket close bracket small a bracket close. Of Assam Panchayat within bracket Constitution Rules, 1995. Okay. Rule 62A
Yes, yes.
only.
And section 111,
Huh?
section 111, subsection 2, subsection A.
And then you just. And section 11,
111.
111 within bracket 2, bracket close, bracket small a bracket close of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. So-and-so learned counsel to the enters appearance on behalf. Respondent number,
My lord, I am appearing for 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7.
and then?
I am for 4.
And for respondent number 2, my lord, the Rakesh Dubey, he is the standing counsel, R Dubey, my lord. But their names are not reflecting.
No formal notice need be served, huh? However, extra copy is furnished to the others. Chapter 48, raise it to reflect the name of the GA.
GA Assam and standing council, Assam
GA
Election
Assam.
Commission.
Pending council.
Assam State Election Commission.
Record this.
Right.
You furnish all of them.
Yes, your lordship.
Three of them. We have recorded his presence
yes,
also. You inform me.
My lord,
Mr. Dubey. Huh?
my lord, my lord.
Lordship, private respondent is also there.
Ah.
Respondent 8.
Petitioner to take state for service of notice upon respondent number 8 by registered post within 3 days from today.
My lord. No. Obliged. Highly obliged.
In this case,
Hmm.
and, the petitioner who was working in the defense force, he is now deputed in Nagaland Manipur border. Now he has a land, his land sought to be acquired, and already acquired. I also agreed to that, maybe acquired. Then one condition, we get a condition that equivalent lands should be provided to us in another place for rehabilitation.
Under which law?
Under right to fair compensation, land transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation, and resettlement act 2013.
Hmm.
So they agreed. All the persons, 3,000 biga of land should to be acquired for the application authority.
3,000.
3,000, more than 3,000 biga.
You have a 3,000.
And I have only 1 biga, a residential house. I have a residential house. We also agree that if they need acquired, we have no objection, but we made a condition that equivalent land should be provided to us in another place.
Where is there was there any claims and objection?
No, we have the objection, but matter has been settled. Matter has been settled. All the publics appeared and they settled. You lost paragraph 11 of my petitions.
Once it is settled, what is to be done now?
Paragraph 10 you lost listen. That we offer that they also assured that yes, equivalent land is to be provided, and the authority already provided land to other persons in other areas. Now, my lord, we came to learn that the amount of rupees, if Lordship page 12, paragraph 16 of my petition, that amount of rupees 6,70,000 has been
Under which law? Acquired under which law?
Land Acquisition Act. Under Land Acquisition Act, 1980. Under Assam Land and Revenue Legislation Act. Our land has been acquired.
Under?
Land Acquisition Act. You also can listen page 69. Land Acquisition 1964. Assam Land
Acquisition and requisition.
Yes.
Huh?
Assam Land Acquisition Act 1964.
Then if it is under this act,
Yes.
how can you claim under 2013?
My lord.
Your claim is under 2013.
2010, that is applicable to all because it is for rehabilitation. This law has been made for rehabilitation. It is mentioned here also. Along with so assured the right to fair compensation, transparency, and land acquisition, rehabilitation.
Not Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. The grievance of the petitioner is for
Only, my lord, land has been
allotment by of rehabilitation. In place of the
already
land acquired by
send
the
the proposal for
petitioner.
resettlement of land.
By the circle officer, Bilasipara Revenue Circle at village Surja Kata, part 3 under Bilasipara Revenue Circle in the district of Dhubri, covered by DAG number 35 and 101. Just issue notice, returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. So-and-so, as Mr. So-and-so, all of them. All, no private respondent.
No private respondents.
I am for 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
Except for so-and-so, huh?
My lord, implementation of this shall not be barred to, already provision has been made to the authority for resettlement. It is there, my lord. There is no bar, my lord. There is no bar for resettlement of land, my lord. That maybe will help. Otherwise, we have no any objections. Let that acquire our land. We have no objections at all. But since I am an army working in the defense force in border area, I am posting. I could not come here and.
We'll see.
That may be observed, my lord.
Lordship, I could serve a copy to us.
I will serve.
Extra copies, all of them.
Yes, tomorrow I will serve. But that observation already, my lord.
Not observation. If he is under consideration, consider. There will be no bar.
Because your lordship can say paragraph 17, you will also kindly look for a moment. Let the
Thank you.
report make call, my lord.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
19.
My lord, this pertains to, my lord, cancellation of a holding number and consequent cancellation of a trade license, and also now, my lord, my electricity connection is also under threat, my lord. What you could see, my annexes, this holding number was, my lord, allotted initially in page 22A, my lord, annexer 3. Earlier it was 525, now renumbered as 488. From 1995, I've been holding this particular property. Then in 2025, my lord, one of the brothers of the petitioner, because of some property dispute, he raises a complaint that this holding number, because the property is unpartitioned, it has to be cancelled. Then I am put on notice to appear on 4/7/2025. I appear and, my lord, seek some time, but then immediately without hearing me, my lord, this holding number is put under suspension. Then my trade license is cancelled in Annexer 6, and in Annexer 8, my lord, Because I don't have any holding number, my electricity connection is under, my lord, notice of being disconnected. Now this holding number, my lord, is primarily basically a tool of, my lord, collecting property tax under the Assam Municipal Act. Nothing to do with any title dispute. Even if it is there, if I'm holding a property from 1995, I continue, my lord, till I'm evicted or a civil court gives a verdict, my lord. How come a municipal authority, my lord, can cancel it, my lord, what I have been holding from 1995 on a private complaint, that too?
Holding, who has given this?
It was given by the municipal authority, my lord. Annexure 3, Lordship would see, page 22A.
If they can issue, they can also, if they can issue holding.
They can cancel also. They can cancel also. No,
And-
no doubt, my lord. But on a private complaint by,
Will issue notice, let's see.
my lord, because the peril is that, my lord, because this holding number is gone, my trade license is gone, my right to do occupation is gone. My electricity is also under threat of being disconnected, my lord. I will have to live in dark, my lord, without electricity. And that is a basic human right, my lord, as of now. And the entire exercise, my lord, was done without any further opportunity to me, my lord. Immediately, they were given a notice to appear on 4th of July. Next day, he cancels it, my lord.
Trade license.
The holding number, my lord. Then trade license is cancelled in Annexure 6, my lord.
Anyway,
Page
heard
27.
Mr. B. Pathak, learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made next is challenges the petitioner has put to challenge the order dated. Where it is?
My lord, come to page 26.
24.
26.
23.
My lord, there are two orders, in fact.
You are challenging all.
My lord, now, firstly, my lord, my license, my holding numbers was suspended. Then my trade license is cancelled, and in Annexure
Where it
8, my
is?
lord, my
Page 25 is what?
page 25, my lord, is 8-7. This is the first impugned order. Annexure 5. Then Annexure 6, my lord, is my trade license is cancelled. Then Annexure 8, my lord, my electricity, because of absence of holding number, is sought to be disconnected.
Cancellation is where? Holding.
Holding cancellation, Annexure 5, my lord. 8-7-2025.
Dated 08/07/2025 was by the executive officer, Hojai Municipal Board. Cancelling the, suspending,
Suspending, my lord.
Suspending the holding number 488 in ward number 13 in respect of the petitioner. And the cancellation of
The trade license.
trade license issued to the petitioner in respect of the holding number 488 of what? Ward number 13. Which place? Yeah,
It is Huzai, my lord.
Hojai,
Hosai. Lanka district.
with the immediate effect. The petitioner for the challenges the, what is that?
Annexure 8, my lord, page 20, page 33. 10/30/10/2025.
Communication dated 30/10/2025 was by the subdivisional engineer, Hojai Electric Subdivision, APDCL, CAR, Hojai, page 33, The petitioner is directed to resubmit the service connection documents, including all the required NOCs from competent authorities within 15 days dwelling which the dwelling which power connection, the power of the electricity to the premises, the potential may be disconnected. Next one, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Who is appearing for the respondent?
I'm applying for the APT, sir, my lord.
All.
All for respondent of 4, my lord. One and two.
SS Roy, London State Council. And Mr.
P. Das,
Sudhir,
my lord.
London Council.
Number 4.
501. Five is also the sub.
Five.
1, 2, 4, and 5.
4 and 5.
No formal notice needed. However, extra copy. Petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 3,
3, my lord, is
Three,
the executive officer
six.
of the municipal board.
3, 6, and 7.
6, 7 are the brothers, my lord, who are the complainant.
So. So,
My lord, some interim protection, my lord, my,
interim
everything, my right to, my lord, work under Article 19, my Article 21 is also under threat, my lord.
no, next paragraph. Consider electricity, only electricity.
Will not disconnect, my lord.
Considering the considering
The returnable debt, my lord.
that the petitioner will be deprived of the considering the submissions of the council for the parties, and also considering that the petitioner would be deprived of the power of the electricity till the returnable debt. No disconnection may be made to the no disconnection of power may be made to the premises of the petitioner. That's all.
My lord.
Obligation.
Yeah, title dispute, my lord, they have taken a different turn, my lord.
We'll see.
Obliged.
But it goes, once holding it goes.
My lord,
and trade
everything
license
goes,
also
everything goes, my lord.
The electricity.
Everything
also
goes, my
the power will
lord.
also
That is
go.
the peril, my lord.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, there is a boundary dispute between the petitioner and the private respondent, my lord.
So,
I filed a representation before the circle officer, my lord, for seeking the official measurement of the boundary of the petitioner, my lord. Till 9 months is over, my lord. Till date, my lord, no action has been taken by the circle officer, my lord.
heard
So-
Mr. So-and-so Land Council for the petitioner claims to be aggrieved of inaction on the part of circle officer, Lala Revenue Circle District, Hailakandi, in not responding to the application for measurement and demarcation of the Patta lane covered by Patta number 62, comprising Dag number 205 to 211, 212, /1080 and 206 /872 under Moja Mohammadpur Part 1. Which place?
Under Lala Revenue Circle, my lord. Hailakandi district.
In the Hailakandi district. But this present petition is instituted for a direct prayer for a direction to take up the issue of demarcation and measurement of the said Patta length. Issue notice returnable weeks. Any private respondent?
Yes, my lord.
Is Mr. S.S. Roy, learned.
6, 7 and 8.
Appearance on behalf of
7, 8.
respondent number 1, 2, 3.
No lordship, 6, 7 and 8.
Worship, there is a 4 respondent.
Huh?
Item number?
Question number 20.
1, 2.
One.
What? Then so and so for respondent number and Mr. S.S. Roy for respondent number 2.
2 lordship.
2 and 3.
Lordship.
No formalities in this, but sir, however, exit office so and so. Petitioners to take a steps for service of process upon respondent number 4 by registered person, so within 3 days from today.
Most obliged.
Your Lordship, my lord. On the last occasion, my lord, the Honorable High Court passed an order
But you have received the instructions.
that on 7/11/2024, because I filed a complaint petition before the cybercrime cell at DGP office, my lord.
Yes, do you have
So
the
the court
instruction?
committed on me by the bank account that I opened.
Registered law.
Registered?
So I don't, yes, my lord, I do not know what has happened, what steps have been taken, what investigation has been done by them. And that is the problem because
Once it is registered,
Let me file my
the process will
follow lordship.
follow.
It
You
has been
said
done.
nothing has been done, no registration, FIR has not been registered.
My lord.
That is your grievance. Now they said that it has already been registered. Petitioner opened a domicile and so verification on the transaction revealed this transaction as released was found accredited and subsequently returned to the
They
person.
should file with affidavit, my lord. We wanted affidavit.
Affidavit, several ATM withdrawn transfer also required. If it is in following the raise the robbery.
I only want my lord, this should be filed with the affidavit. Then there will be some authority on that. Otherwise, we cannot accept it.
Investigation provision.
No case was registered.
I'm not.
Inquiry was conducted.
Yes.
And there was no, they found no foul play or criminality.
My lord, actually, my lord, I'm not agreeing to that, my lord. My problem is that I being a senior citizen, my lord, I was in the
Understand?
engineer,
But
my
then
lord, retired engineer, my lord.
On preliminary
My lord,
inquiry,
give me
if
only
there's-
2 minutes time, my lord.
What? 2
Just
minutes.
hear me, my lord, then I will withdraw, my lord.
Hmm?
Just give me 2 minutes, my lord. Just hear me, my lord. Then you can pass any order, my lord. I may be given the reasonable opportunity of being heard, my lord. I invested, my lord, a huge amount of money in dollars. And there has been, my lord, on the advice of the Pankaj, there is Pankaj Doctor, who was an employee of the ICICI Bank in the Crest in Boston, Guwahati, my lord. And he gave the PIN number and the user ID, password. he
It's
kept
a
it
matter
himself.
of inquiry.
Lord, I just want to request your lordship just to hear me, my lord, and
But
pass
here,
an order.
they said, considering your
You're not
submission.
interested in hearing,
Sir.
my lord, what will be the justice, my lord?
No, it's not a question of not interested in hearing to you. The question is, on
I
your,
also- I
on your,
also
on your,
spent- I also spent, my lord, 22 years in the judicial service, my lord.
it's okay. Who is questioning that? There's
Please
no,
listen me, my lord.
See,
Please
it's
listen
not
me.
question of
It's a
hearing
very
you.
grievous.
See,
I have only
we-
come to this court.
Sir, just
to
wait.
justice, my lord.
Hold your
If you
horses.
do not
Hold
the
your
lordship
horses,
doesn't
sir.
care.
Hold your horses, sir. Wait for some time. First, listen to me. Have
I
some,
have filed a case, my
sir,
lord.
I have some patience. Wait for some time. Listen to me carefully.
Whatever the reply they have given, my lord, they should file it with affidavit. That I want.
Sir, it's not your order. We
No,
cannot,
no, I am not
we
giving an
cannot
order.
be so.
I am not giving any orders.
So,
I am not
Adama-
fit for that also. I am not fit for that also.
Just wait for some time. Would you like to listen for a second?
My lord.
What I'm saying is on the basis of your complaint, right? Before knowing what is the instruction, how can you make your submission?
My lord.
So as per the instruction, are you getting me?
My lord, yes. Absolutely.
Instruction, police, they have caused an inquiry. And they found no foul play and any criminality in the process, in the inquiry. That is the instruction, right? That is the instruction. Now you make your submission. What do you want?
This one.
Sir, it would not be proper to say that we are not interested in hearing you. That would be too harsh on the court.
I apologize, my lord, for it because I lose my temper, my lord.
Don't lose your temper. This is
It happens.
something which this court will never.
And my lord,
appreciate.
I just want to draw your lordship's kind attention to para 9, page 7 and 8. Para 9, page 7 and 8. I'm just reading out the only relevant portion for lordship's kind convenience, if lordship with your lordship's permission. After a few days, the petitioner, due to some suspicious action on the part of Pankaj Datta, thought that something fishy is going on. The petitioner downloaded the statement of ICICI Savings Bank account and found that without the knowledge of the petitioner, an amount of $800, which comes around rupees 60,656.2.7 was refunded and withdrawn by ATM by checking the SMS in the phone of the petitioner. No notification was found, notification was found, and Pankaj Datta made such arrangements so that the petitioner could not receive any notification from the ICICI Bank. I also want to draw your lordship's kind perusal. With your lordship's permission, we are para 10, page 8. Assuming, my lord, Pankaj Datta committed fraud, upon the petitioner approached the office of the Superintendent of Police Cyber Crime Cell, CID, I lodged a written complaint on 10/4/2022, Annexure F, page 50, 51. Your lordship kindly peruse. If your lordship kindly peruse, Annexure F, page 50 and 51, it will be clear, my lord. That has been, your lordship is very well aware this in this country, man, a lot of cybercrime fraud has been committed by the various agencies, various persons, scrupulous elements, my lord. But my contention, and there is various judgments of this court also, my lord, as well as the Honorable Court of Decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court also from the Bombay High Court, my lord, also from the Honorable Kerala High Court, my lord. The court has directed to return the amount to me, my lord. There's it in directions from the courts, various high courts, honorable high courts, and also from the Honorable Supreme Court, that the amount be returned to the petitioner within due course. I want that, my lord, because I have invested my pensionary benefits, my lord, in dollars, my lord. That is my grievance, my lord.
Anything else?
No, my lord. That's all, my lord.
Thank you. Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petition. pursuant to the order dated 17/11/2025 passed by this court, Mr. So-and-so, S.S. Roy, Land Extended Council, has placed the copy of, as well as the instruction perusal of the instruction indicates that a transaction amount of on verification of the bank transaction revealed that the transaction amount of rupees 60 lakhs 60,562.79 was found credited and subsequently returned from the petitioner demat account, and several ATM withdrawal transactions were reflected in its saving bank accounts. There's no, and during the inquiry, he had never handed over. It is stated by the petitioner that he had never handed over his ATM card to any other person, and the card was neither lost or stolen. Further examination of the transaction records revealed that the amount of rupees 60,000 so-and-so was deposited, public returned to the petitioner's own saving bank account number 245501 000915 in his name. Which indicates any possibility of unauthorized access or fraudulent withdrawal from suspected account. It also reveals that on inquiry, on further additional inquiries was conducted. No, an additional inquiry was also conducted by a sub-inspector by the police, and no foul play or criminality was found on the part of any stakeholder. Next slide. Considering above, and as insisted by the Land Council for the petition, London State Council is granted 3 weeks time to file to bring on record the instruction by an affidavit. Just after 3 weeks.
Highly obliged, my lord, obliged. At the same time, I do apologize for you.
It's okay. But don't lose your temper easily. That too, at this stage, it's not good for your health.
My lord.
May not good for your health.
My health is okay, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
Regarding my lord, compensation of land, my lord, lordship will find the land of the petitioners are going to be acquired without any proper notice and procedure followed by the respondents authorities. They are constructing a road over a river category. Lordship will find, although there is a order for survey and joint demarcation, page 39. That is the communication issued by the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam Revenue Department, requesting the District Commissioner Hailakandi for initiating a joint survey and for restoration of dike level Katakal from Bordolai to including branch work village Bandukmara district in initiating the acquisition process. But nothing has been done. That is in the year 2024. And suddenly, my lord, we found that our land are going to be marked and they're taking possession by destroying their crops and houses over the land, my lord. These are pakka land, my lord. So, lordship,
You want that it should be acquired as per the law and.
yes,
compensation.
as per following the procedure. Although
that-
they have also in the earlier similar cases, the government has filed affidavit admitting that, your lordship will find page 34, affidavit in opposition, admitting that they are going to initiate a joint survey and demarcation of the land for persons.
Well, then in that case, we'll ask them to obtain instruction. What is this?
But in the meantime, my lord, our position should not be disturbed, only my,
No, we'll ask them for a.
otherwise, my lord.
No, a similar method, if they stand is that they will have a demarcation, survey and demarcation and pay compensation, then
But that matter is,
ask them to obtain instruction.
that matter was done well. My only prayer is that, my lord, in a similar case, my lord, interim order was passed.
We'll ask them then what is happening.
Lordship.
You are saying that without any acquisition, without following the procedure,
Lordship.
they have just they are going to
Okay.
conduct a road. That is what I'm saying,
Just
construct a road.
they are marking, my lord, and trying to
Yes,
demolish
we'll ask them to
crops.
obtain instruction. Heard,
Not-
Mister?
Short date, my lord.
Heard, Mister?
Yes, not, my lord.
Yes, not learned counsel for the petitioners. Claiming to be the, claims to be the next para. Owners in possession of the land.
There are two, your lordship will find. I have
With
this-
periodic patta number 68, dag number 244, comma, patta number 5, dag number 33, 67, 68, 70, patta number 68, comma, dag number 231, 233, and patta number 38, 39, dag number 110, 111, at village Bondukmara, under Moja Bondukmara in Hailakandi district, comma, the petitioners have prayed for a direction to acquire the land above land after proper survey and demarcation in accordance with the provisions of Land Acquisition Act. As the respondent, without following the due process, has marked the land of the petitioners for construction what is the construction of what?
Road come dike over the river Katakal,
Road come,
in the left side of, left bank of river Katakal.
construction of road come dike, DYK, huh? Over the,
Over the left bank of,
over or
no, my lord, by the left bank of
by the left
Left
bank of river?
Katakal.
KTA,
Yeah, KTA.
Katakal.
Katakal.
Considering above, considering that the petitioner, no, considering above. The Mr. S.S. Learned State Council to obtain instruction. List after 2 weeks.
Lordship. Extra copy.
Just
Lordship.
whether the
Lordship.
claim is correct or not.
Lordship.
Yes, my lord, but my only prayer is that no courtship action regarding my,
After
because
2
my
weeks,
my
we-
houses are there, my lord. Yes.
We'll see after 2 weeks.
In the
Let us see
meantime,
let us see the
Lordship, they have their
appropriate
procedure.
orders on that day.
In the meantime, my lord, if they have demolished our houses
They will not
without
dem-
any proper
They will
demarcation,
not demolish.
yes, well, that,
They will not do anything. 2 weeks, we'll see.
Lordship.
You resist. Don't get your house demolished.
But that will be chaos, my lord. Even police,
We'll see. We don't know.
only to that
It's
extent, my
not
lord, only,
possible.
only for 2 weeks, my lord.
It's not possible these days.
Because there is a crops, my lord. Paddy, now paddy is there,
That's
my
what I'm
lord.
saying. It's not possible. They will not just simply demolish it. That's not possible. All right. Okay.
From other end, they have already started works, my lord. So they are coming to my plot. Or obliged.
Really.
May I please, your lordship?
Hmm.
Lord, the grievance is very limited, my lord. We have been allotted with a work, my lord, that is in the nature of a private work, my lord. There is no government interference. And a work order has also been issued in our favor. My lord may be pleased to find is at page 24, my lord.
Hmm.
Lord, on the strength of this work order, my lord, this is to the petitioners, my lord, construction of work order, brick boundary wall with beam. So and so this the entire description is there. Now, my lord, when we went to the site for the purpose of, my lord, laying down or the other issues before constructing this boundary wall, the private respondents, my lord, with a huge gathering, my lord, with sharp weapons, my lord, has thrashed our workmen, laborers from the field. So, my lord, as a law-abiding, my lord, citizens, we have immediately approached before the concerned police station, my lord. The concerned police station did also acknowledge and register. We have the information that subsequently it had been registered, the case. But, my lord, the situation till date is very serious, my lord. There is no protection had been provided by the police personnel, my lord. And a letter had also.
Have you asked for it?
Yes, my lord, because we have.
Have you asked for it? Case has already registered.
No.
FIR has been registered.
Case has been registered, my lord, but
Then-
only to that extent, my lord, our grievance is not that to register the case. At least police should go, my lord, and protect us from while executing.
That's
the
what. Have you asked for the protection?
Yes, my lord,
Where it
the,
is?
once the case have, my lord, this FIR, my lord, may be pleased to find is at page
No,
25.
no, that has already been registered.
No, my lord. Registration is there, my lord. We are not denying, my lord. But the issue is
Then
that.
why you have said direct to make immediate action on the FIR registered and so and to arrest the accused?
My lord.
It's not. They will have
So-
an investigation will be there.
No, investigation will be there, my lord, but we could not work, my lord. My lord may kindly appreciate, my lord.
That's all.
My lord, just an instruction will do.
Just show us that you have approached the authorities
No,
in
my lord,
view of
yeah.
the serious
Yes,
law
my
and
lord.
order
Thereafter,
problem.
my lord, a letter had also been communicated to the deputy commissioner also, my lord. My lord may be pleased to find, that communication at page 20. Page 30, my lord, kindly be taken up, my lord. Lord, wherein we have narrated in detail, my lord, that our trucks, buses, my lord, everything has been restrained by these people's, my lord. Materials has also not been allowed.
What is 30 is what?
My lord.
What is this 30?
My lord, this is the another set of allegation, my lord, that the trucks and buses which are plying through the area, my lord, to my lord, deliver the construction material had also been restrained and my lord, forcefully obstructed and collecting money, my lord, from.
By whom?
By these private respondents, my lord. They have created a gang, a syndicate.
No, it's okay, but then you what about you?
No, my lord, we are the person, my lord, entrusted with this work order, my lord. Is at page 24. Page 24 is in our favor, my lord. Issued by the RK Packaging Private Limited, a private body.
Oh, that has already been this thing. You have filed an FIR.
My lord.
Then that has been registered.
That has been registered, but no protection, no police action, my lord. Just keeping the, my lord, if I go by the provision of the law, my lord, that the police is required to, not only registration is not the, my lord, duty of the police, they should give us the protection also, my lord. Everything may not be written in the FIR, my lord, but my learned friend can take an instruction. my
Art
lord,
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners,
Petitioners, my lord.
it is the case of the petitioner that despite registration of FIR against the petition, respondent number 7,
My lord.
7 or 8,
My lord, from respondent number, my lord, 7 to 14, my lord.
no, despite registration of case pursuant to the FIR dated 2011-2026 and 16/09/2025. No arrest. Have been made against the accused. And no action for preventing further obstruction of the intimation or illegal interference caused by the prior respondents against the petitioner has been initiated. Next paragraph. Not comma, which has caused serious law and order problem, threatening the life of the petitioners. In view above, Mr. S. Roy learned state council to obtain instruction. List after 2 weeks.
One extra copy.
My lord.
Extra copy. Oh, he furnished to the learned council, learned state council.
My lord, may I pray, my lord, that in the meantime, we may be allowed to work with police protection, my lord, that
Huh?
in the meantime, my lord, we may be.
Who is stopping? That's why I'm asking. You should have coming, instead of coming here,
My lord.
you should have gone to the police officer, I mean, the competent authority for protection.
Some kind of observation, my lord, there may not be.
SRAU, who is stopping? Oh, immediately go there.
My lord, my lord. SP kata hari different order to be released. Oblige, lord. May it please allow. My lord, the petitioner, my lord, she is constructing a home for herself and her family, my lord. Now, my lord, some jealous neighbors, my lord, they made a complaint. And my lord, her construction has been stopped, and recently, my lord, a demolition notice has been issued. But
By whom?
By, my lord, the respondent number 1, my lord. Patsala Municipal Board, my lord. Before I go to that aspect, my lord, I would like to place before your lordship, my lord, the permit, my lord, which I was obtained.
Okay, permit could be
My lord,
not in accordance.
in the permit itself, my
Just
lord.
because you have obtained permit, you cannot be allowed to construct.
Yes, my
Let
lord.
us see the order.
That, my lord, you will find it
Let us
page,
see the impugn order.
page 71, my lord. That is the impugn order. My lord, prior to that, my lord, page 66, an order was passed
By whom?
by the same authority, my lord.
No, which order you are agreed?
Both the orders, my lord, page 66 vis-a-vis page 71, my lord. 66, my lord, may I read me?
Yes.
Regarding the above mentioned subject, this is to inform you that in the dispute redressal meeting held on last 22/8/2025, although you gave commitment that you will lessen the foundation of your house by 3 feet, but you did not keep your commitment and you are continuing construction of RCC house by breaking rules. Therefore, today dated 26/9/2025, according to the decision taken in the meeting, in the presence of Additional District Commissioner and Deputy Director, Town and Village Planning Department, you are directed to stop the construction of RCC building immediately after receipt of this notice. Otherwise, necessary actions will be taken under sections of Municipal Act 1956. My lord, against this, I preferred a writ petition before this honorable court. And my lord, during the pendency of the said writ petition, when the matter was came up for the first time before this honorable court, my lord, immediately prior to that, I was served with this particular notice at impugned at page 71, my lord. May I read, my lord? Regarding the above mentioned subject, this is to inform you that a meeting was held on 14/10/25 regarding the height of the plinth of the house of your neighbor, Sri Sanjeev Chaudhary and Amarjyoti Das, in the presence of complainant and you. As per the decision of the above mentioned meeting and as per the report submitted by Deputy Director, Town and Country Planning Department and Junior Engineer of Pathshala Municipality Board, you are directed to demolish the plinth of your house by 0.53 meter. So, my lord, this notice is, my lord, not proper because it says about the height of the plinth of the house of the neighbors, not
No,
me, my
the
lord.
meeting was in
But-
between, in your presence.
In presence, my lord, that is
In
what,
your
my lord.
presence.
Then meeting, my lordship, may kindly come to the minutes of the meeting at page 39, my lord. I gave undertaking, but my lord, the manner which the undertaking I had given, my lordship, may kindly peruse that for a moment, my lord. Second para, my lord. Page 39. Married, my lord. Be it to mention herein that leveling will be done from the front road of Sri Gitika Burman, that is me, my lord, house to the foundation of the presently under construction house of Sri Gitika Burman. And decision was taken in today's meeting as Sri Gitika Burman has given undertaking that she will demolish the portion of above 3 feet level of the foundation at her own cost. So, my lord, firstly, there has to be a leveling from the street to my house, my lord.
Difficult, we cannot
And-
decide all this thing.
Yes, my lord, that is correct, my lord. And
And
now, my lord, the
that
only
is the,
this-
that is correct, what can we?
my lord, my grievance is that section 45, I was given a notice, my lord. Section 45 of, my lord, Assam Unified Building Construction Regulation Bylaws. एक मिनट देखो। नहीं। एक मिनट दीजिए।
Earlier writ petition is pending.
No, my lord, I withdrew that writ petition, my lord, with a liberty. I have annexed the order, my lord, that a new cause of action has arisen, my lord. And 45, my lord, that is the height of the plinth.
Oh, no, we'll
And-
not go into what is there. You have agreed to level or whatever.
My lordship. 45, I had given reply, my lord, that I was,
Yes, heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
my lord,
Challenge made in this writ petition is to the communication dated 13/11/2025. Passed by the, issued by the Executive Officer, Pathshala Municipality Board. Whereby the petitioner is directed to demolish the plinth of the under construction house by 0.53 meter. Directed to stop the construction until the demolition of the plinth on the basis of the meeting held in between the complainant and the petitioner.
my case is, my lord, there is no violation, and to that extent, I have, at
Is
page
the-
62, I
is
have
the
stated, my lord.
Contention of the learned counsel for the petitioner is that the petitioner that there is no violation. Any meeting or construction permit.
Construction, my lord, I have done as per the permit, my lord, as per rules and regulations.
And the petitioner is undertaking construction strictly in accordance with the construction. permit.
As per section 45 of Assam Unified Building Construction Bylaws 2022.
Issued notice. Any private respondents are there?
No, my lord.
We'll have to, they are the complainant.
Because my lord, private respondent does not have any
Attorney.
interest in my construction, my lord.
No, it is on the basis of their complaint only.
But my lord, that is my submission in the writ petition. On the basis of some complainant and some agreement between me and some complainant, my lord, whether a statutory authority can come to a conclusion that I have violated some rules.
We'll examine it. They don't say that there's a violation of the thing. They say that as per the meeting, you will have to demolish this. You have to do that.
That is what, my lord. They have to say that I have violated some provision.
Issue
But
notice
they
return.
are not saying, my lord.
4 weeks.
Under that circumstances, my lord.
Issue return, issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. Who is appearing for the? You will have to take press steps. I mean, steps.
My lord, stay with regard to my lord.
Who?
The
Who is the respondents? Who is appearing?
My lordship,
Is that
Pathshala Municipal Board,
there's no
then
state
chairman.
There's no state authority.
This is state authority, my lord, municipal board, my lord. Executive officer, Pathshala Municipal Board, deputy director, town and country planning.
Yes, you have made the private complainant, you have made them party also. You said you have not,
Oh, yes, my lord.
then the learned counsel for the petitioners to take steps for the submission notice on all the respondents, arrested persons, in 3 days from today. This after 3 weeks, we'll.
My lord, till date, my lord, because my lord, this is I have constructed from my hard-earned money, my lord. There is no state, my lord, they have not stated that, my lord, I have violated any
Still
provision.
returnable that no coercive actions will be taken
Deeply obliged, highly obliged, my lord.
against the petition.
But as per the last order, I was to put some instructions.
3-0.
3-0, my lord.
Ah.
Lordship, this is regarding installation of an unauthorized electric transformer in my premise. So it is an admitted fact that they have installed it wrongly. Now they say that they will remove it. The anxiety is that, my lord, I am a cancer patient. I want to sell my plot of land. Because of not shifting this transformer, I could not sell my plot of land.
Just wait.
My lord. Lord, Lordship has understood the matter. In 2012, we wanted to install a BTS tower. It's a base transmitting station, my lord, which supplies internet basically to the entire Bongaigaon town area, my lord. It is the main tower there. Now, from 2012, my lord, it was an agreement for 15 years. Till 2027, we are actually a lessee. So they have adopted this course of coming to the writ petition through a writ petition by saying that, my lord, the transformer which was required to power the BTS tower, transformer installed by APDCL, my lord, that was installed in the neighboring land, which is the land of his wife. From 2012 to 22, there was no complaint because they were, of course, in harmony, my lord. There was no issue. And 22 onwards, they said that no, it should be shifted. Now, if we shift the transformer, the tower also have to be shifted. So the tower shifting, my lord, we have to identify location, etc. And as per the directions and previous orders of this course, we have already identified. So it approximately, my lord, as per my latest instruction, it takes around 5 months, 4 months for the process to complete, and from the RFI that is to be issued by this Indus, my lord, Tower Private Limited. So approximately within 5 months, my lord, this process will be completed, my lord.
Let it come this way, my lord, the entire exercise of shifting, it may be completed within a specific period. That much direction will serve the purpose, my lord.
5 months.
4
5
months.
months.
5 months, my lord. My lord, I agree.
They have agreed.
My lord.
You're going to shift it.
My lord, we are shifting. my
But the entire exercise, my lord, it's not that after 5 months they will say that another process is required. That will again delay the proceeding, my lord. So the entire exercise of shifting.
We are trying our best because third parties are involved, my lord, in the shifting of the tower.
You are, it's up
My
to you
lord.
how you manage it, but we'll provide you within 5 months.
My lord.
Heard Mr.
And Borman, my
You can
lord.
dispose it of.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
And counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. P.
I am for 2, 3, and 4, my lord.
And counsel. Standing counsel,
My lord, for 2, 3, and 4, my lord.
standing counsel,
Or BSNL.
standing counsel. BSNL for respondent number 2, 3,
And 4.
and 4. Who is for the state?
5, 6, and 7, my lord, are the APDCL.
APDCL.
I've tried to inform them, my lord. The tower is actually, transformer is actually their installation, not ours.
Who will remove that?
It has to be removed by them. As far as tower will remove, but then the tower is powered by the transformer, so these are connected, my lord. If one goes, the other also has to go.
Who is appearing? His name is there. Shown.
It's a D. Gogoi was, Dixit was appearing, my lord.
APDCL. SC APDCL. Tomorrow again they may say they have not been heard. We have not agreed to the 5 months. What will happen?
Yes.
Call him. Inform him.
I've been trying, my lord. They were there. I
Just
told them
kindly inform. His name is, the standing council APDCL is reflected in the course.
because their grievance is the transformer mainly.
Hmm?
Their grievance is basically the transformer, but then both has to go together, my lord. That is why we are connected.
Union of India. Who is for Union of India?
It's not a necessary party, my lord, here because it's exclusively the tower is exclusively our property, my lord.
And instead of Assam, Secretary Ministry of Power, Electricity. Government of Assam. Yes, Government of Assam.
1 and 5, my lord, are not otherwise necessary because 5, my lord, because the transformer is again a property of the company of
Yes.
PDCL, my lord.
No, that's what it will require.
Power department.
Handy for respondent, State Council for respondent.
For
number
respondent of
5.
5 lots.
Inform Mr. whoever is there, standing council.
My lord, Gogoi is there, my lord.
And
He had
Mr.
appeared.
D. Gogoi.
D. Gogoi.
P.
D.
Gogoi.
Dixit.
And standing council APDCL for respondent 6 and 7.
It's on the way, my lord. Just informed. পাঁচ মাহ মানত হৈ যাব বুলি মই কৈছো তাইত আমাৰ আইডেন্টিফিকেশ্যন
টুত আছে DIL
ট্ৰেন্সফৰ্মাৰটো দূৰ যায়
Yes.
Plus, I am for the APDCL. They are the consumer agency. They have asked us to install. We are only confined to that part. If it
No,
is removed,
no, it has to be removed.
yes, yes.
They have identified the
we are going, my lord. We cannot immediately cut it
alternative
because-
site also. So we'll direct you to.
Yes, we'll
Within the
assist them
time
if they ask again.
They responded. Both the BSNL and the FEDS still to complete the entire process of shifting within 5 months. The grievance raised by the petitioners is for a direction to the respondent authorities to remove the unauthorized installed electric transformer installed for, what is this BTS service?
My lord, BTS is the base transceiver station. It is the
BTS what?
BTS is a tower for, my lord, mobile and internet distribution, my lord. So that is the difficulty. If we immediately close it, my lord, entire service will be disrupted in the area. And that is a public.
No,
utility
basically
service.
they are for removal of the transformer.
Transformer. But then
Install for what is this? What is called is BTS?
BTS is a base transceiver station.
GCM BTS tower. Huh?
This transformer powers this particular station, my lord.
At on the plot of land belongs to petition number 2.
Petitioner number 1.
No, petition number 1.
1.
Which is Hammond Das.
Hammond Das is the performer respondent,
Husband of the petition.
husband of the petitioner. There is an order to that effect, my lord, that initially this petition was filed with 2 petitioners, Hammond Das and Dharitri Bala Das. Subsequently, the pursuant to an order, he was added as the proper performer defendant, Hammond Das.
So land of the petition number 1.
It was wrongly installed in the premise of petitioner number 1.
Wrong, not wrongly. There was the agreement.
There was consent between husband and wife at that point
Yeah.
of time.
It's not wrongly. Land of the petitioner.
But then still we have understood.
We'll
that
just say
from-
petitioner. That's-
Right.
I'm not disputing anything.
lord, no.
You are not disputing anything. List of, huh? Next para. It is the case of the petitioners that the petition number 2 had rented out his building to the BSNL in the year 2014.
12, my lord. 12.
12, list of. The respondent APDCL installed a transformer on the application made by BSNL, respondent BSNL. on the land of the petition number 1, which was adjacent to the land of the petition number 2. List of the petitioner claims that the respondents, BSNL and the APDSL, have unauthorizedly, not unauthorizedly, what do we call it? Wrongly, we'll say wrongly, installed the transformer on the land of the petition number 1,
Shifting timeline.
which is causing inconvenience and hazardous to the life of the petitioner, family of the petitioner. Therefore, prays for removal of the transformer from the land of the petition number 1. Explain. During the course of hearing,
Maximum possible time to progress.
what is the instruction? Yes, Mr. Boro.
Furnish another copy, my lord, then.
Yes.
2011-2020.
Instruction.
Dated 2011-2025.
2011, huh?
Boro, এখন লইলো।
Mr. B. Patel, the Standing Council, BSNL, and Mr. D. Gogoi, the Standing Council for APDSL, by placing the instruction, have submitted that the respondents have decided to shift the transformer. Shift the GSM mobile tower and transmission system and the transformer from the present site, which belongs to the petitioner number 1. Mr. They have submitted that, in fact, the GSM mobile tower and transmission, no, GSM mobile and transmission system equipments and the transformer was installed as per the agreement,
Hello.
lease agreement or what?
Lease agreement.
As per the agreement with the petitioners.
So it's a 15 years lease, my lord, till 2027.
For 15 years till 2027. However, since the respondents have already decided to shift the entire GSM mobile and transmission system equipments along with the tower, transformer, by identifying an alternative site, the process would take not less than 5 months. As the certain approval, certain certain steps for as for approval for new site and other timeline for dismantling and vacation would require considerable time. List of having considered the prayer for, having considered the grievance, the petitioners, intended to shift the GSM mobile and transmission system equipments, including the transformer installed for the said GSM mobile tower and transmission tower. I deem it appropriate to dispose of this repetition with a direction to complete the process of shifting and removal of the transport, shifting of GSM mobile and transmission system equipments, including the removal of the transformer constructed on the land of the petitioner within a period of 5 months from today.
From today.
That's all.
That's all, my lord.
The question is still disposed.
I'm obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, the affidavit is yet to be filed.
No, we have filed, man. Also, we have filed on Friday, last Friday. It's not on record, my lord, but we have filed.
You have filed?
Yes.
Have you received the copy?
No, Lordship.
Must have.
Lord Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the party. Your name, please?
Argohan. Argohan.
Argohai. State Council submits that an affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 3.
Three.
Has already been filed. You have filed already?
Yes, on 21/11.
Right. There's an office note of
21/11 we have filed.
Then you write, although office note indicates that, reflects that no contrary affidavit has been filed. Has been received, on behalf of respondent number 3. Mr. B. Talukdar, then you write, Then it's State Council established that affidavit has already been filed on behalf of respondent 3 on 21/11/2025. Mr. So has not been, submits that he has not been furnished with a copy of the said affidavit. The copy, the counter affidavit is also not taken with the record system. Next minute. In view of above, registry to verify if it, counter affidavit is filed. To take the, them to, with the record, Learned Council, State Council to furnish the copy of the said affidavit to the Learned Council for the petition. We ask furnish. List after 3 weeks.
There is also interim version.
Interim order is there.
Yes, sir.
Interim order, yes, sir. Come. Continue it to. Yes, sir.
The petitioner has filed these writ petitions, my lord, for recording their names in the revenue record for possessing and occupying the land of their predecessors under riot, my lord.
Yes.
I am appearing for Revenue Department.
Hmm.
If it was filed by respondent number 3, Lordship, government.
Hmm. In
Uh,
respond number 3,
Takla Putta, Lordship.
what does this say? What did they say?
That land was made us. That much only, my lord.
There is no provision for revenue collection in respect of government khas land, and therefore no instruction has been provided to petitioner to deposit land revenue in respect of government khas land, Lordship.
Those lands where the petitioners are now in position, those has been made by the government
mutation-
khas, my lord. As per, my lord, the Assam State Acquisition of Jamindaries Act 1961, my lord, the relevant law in this regard is that clause 4 of section 6. Clause 4 of section 6. Clause 6 of section 4. So, though even if the land is made khas by the government or acquired by the government, but we will be still hold the land as a tenant under the government. Earlier we were holding the land under a landlord, Jamindar. After the Jamindaries Act, we will hold the land under the government as a tenant of the government. Only this much is the case. And our predecessor's name were earlier recorded. Now it is to be recorded. Itu আছে না? Some state acquisition Jamindaries Act.
Lordship, here pleadings are completed, then it come up for hearing, Lordship.
Yes, maybe it may come up.
May come up for hearing, Lordship.
Deputy Commissioner, now District Commissioner is to record our name only. That much is our care. By verifying
You
the
ask for mutation also.
same thing, recording of name is a mutation.
That's
right.
Yes, madam. So as per
That
section.
has been rejected.
No, not rejected.
Rejected.
No, how it is rejected, my lord?
As per order, Justice and the Honorable Court Director bring on record decision of rejection regarding petition, it is the same was rejected as there is no provision of mutation.
How it is rejected? How it could be rejected? Because man, they are going at different provision. Under Jamindaries that they cannot reject. That cannot be rejected, man. That did not go. That did not follow that law, my lord.
But this the law is that.
Relating law is this, my lord. Your lordship hearing may be taken on.
Hearing may be taken, Lordship.
As he prayed. Clause 6 of section 4.
Clause
6 of section 4.
Clause 6 of section 4, what do you mean by that?
4(6), section 4(6).
Subclause.
Subclause 6
Subsection.
of section 4. This is the law holding the field. Now, the affidavit filed by simply they have filed that is a,
Until further legislation
Yes,
by
ma'am.
state government on behalf of every.
Lordship, in para 7, we have stated the petition was rejected as the aforesaid dark land in the government khas land as reflected on the record.
yes.
It is to be
I
mentioned that-
agree, I agree that. Our stand is this is a government khas land, not jamidari.
Hmm.
And there is no provision for recording of grant of mutation as per. That's why it was, this is our stand.
What is your stand?
That is the law applicable, whether it is a valid law, whatever it says. I agree, land has been made khas. It's a state government land. Even though state government, our name is to be recorded as a tenant under the state. This is the law, my lord. That much I pray, my lord. That deputy commissioner has, district commissioner in the district has to do, my lord, this. But they have gone in the different law, my lord.
What different law?
Not applying this law, my lord. This law did not apply.
What law they have applied?
Normal, that is the 18 to this government land, so no, my lord, the tenancy is there. But that is not the provision.
Not Mr. B. Sinha
Yes, my lord.
and counsel for the petitioners. Not Mr. S.S. Roy and State Council for the respondents. That petitions are admitted. List for hearing.
Yes, my lord.
In a due course, usual course.
Lord.
Obliged.
No, the affidavit is required to be filed by the PNRD.
Yes.
Chief, but this 15/10/2024 notification has already been challenged. And those writ petitions have already been dismissed.
We are on a different ground, my lord. The challenge what my learned friend is speaking about, my lord, where the challenge was to the delimitation of the panchayats, my lord. Now, we are not concerned with the delimitation per se, my lord. What had happened with respect to our Gaon Panchayat, my lord, while delimiting, my lord, the Gaon Panchayat, they have changed the name of the Gaon Panchayat, my lord. We are aggrieved by the change of name, my lord.
You are not aggrieved by the delimitation.
We are not aggrieved by the
Change of the name.
inclusion or exclusion. We are not aggrieved with it, my lord. The name they have changed, which is admittedly, my lord, against Rule 5 of the Panchayat Constitution rules, my lord.
Lordship, his direct challenge is to the 15/10/2024 notification.
Insofar as it pertains to the change of name, my lord.
Changing of name.
Not Mr. P. Mahanta, not counsel for the in prayer of Mr.
K. Ghosh on behalf of Mr. K. Kumar.
Huh?
A.K. Ghosh on behalf of Mr. K. Kumar.
Counsel. Additional Advocate General,
Yes, advocacy.
but the 3 weeks time is granted to file it. Just after 2 minutes.
Deeply obliged.
In this matter, no affidavit has come yet.
Lordship,
Lord, I'm really have received our instruction. We pray for some time to file our affidavit. Lord.
And Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petition. On the prayer of Mr. S. Israel, learned state counsel for that 3 weeks time is granted. to file affidavit.
May I request for a specific date and come?
3 weeks, Lord.
3 weeks, yes.
For 3 weeks for affidavit. Lord.
Could it be 8th of December, my lord?
3 weeks, 3 weeks. 24th,
Yes, next.
11th.
19th, please, 19th of December. 19th.
Please, my lord, this petitioner, my lord, serving, my lord, life sentence, my lord. My lord, he has completed more than 22 years in jail, my lord. And my lord, he applied for, my lord, release on completion of more than 13 years. And his case was forwarded by, my lord, the district administration, Delhi district police also, district of, my lord, Udalguri, and jail authority, superintendent of jail, my lord, Tezpur jail. But, my lord, this his case was not considered, my lord, last.
Yes, Lordship, I require some time, Lordship. We have not received the instructions, Lordship. Because newly impleted respondents are there. Newly impleted respondents.
My lord, I have filed one IA, my lord, because, my lord, the honorable court, my lord, directed that the.
IA, that has been disposed of.
Not disposed of.
Not.
My lord, we pray for, my lord, to including chief secretary.
No objection.
No objection, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, applicant. Writ petitioner. And also heard Mr. SS Royal London State Council. Next, by filing this application, the applicant of the writ petitioner pressed for implement of the State of Assam represented by Chief Secretary. In the connected WPC 5996 of 2025. Next, the applicant public writ petition has filed a connected WPC seeking a direction to the respondents to take up the case of the applicant for reconsideration on the basis of the conduct report and also challenging the minutes of the review board dated 27/12/2024. Or pertaining to aspect of remission of the term of the applicant. Stuff. The applicant really submits that the as a applicant, the learned counsel by the applicant submits that the State of Assam represented by Chief Secretary has been omitted as a party respondent in the connected writ petition. Therefore, phase 4 allow the applicant to implement the Chief Secretary, include the State of Assam represented by Chief Secretary. Mr. S.S. Learned Counsel for the petition. Raises no objection or implement of the State of Assam. Represented by Chief Secretary. So having considered that the petitioner appears to have omitted to add the State of Assam represented by Chief Secretary. Considering that the State of Assam represented by Chief Secretary is government of Assam is be a necessary party and prayer not being objected to by learned counsel of the respondents comes, I deem it appropriate to allow this application accordingly. The State of Assam represented by Chief Secretary be allowed to be included at respondent number.
The best respondent number 1A, my capital A.
In the WPC, so connected WPC, so and so. Highest things allowed in disposal. In view of the order passed in so and so. There is the petitioner. While amended cost item.
My lord, in main case, my lord, in the January, my lord, review board is sitting, my lord.
Stuff.
So, my lord, in the first week of December,
Just wait.
in the first week of December,
Colleague of
fifth, my lord.
amended petition, amended cost item. Rest to incorporate the newly implemented.
First week of December, we will think, my lord, because so that, my lord, my case can be picked in the January for consideration, because in the review board is sitting in the January 26.
I will take the.
Twice, my lord.
Obtain instruction, what's happening? This the matter after 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord, my lord, vacation will come, my lord, because the
3 weeks, no?
January, my lord, review board is sitting in the
We
January.
have 5 weeks to go, 4 weeks to go. 4 weeks to go.
Then, my lord.
We have a 4 weeks to go. Before that, it will be listed.
Wait, listen.
Yes.
Item 42 and 62 are similar matter, my lord, kindly peruse the earlier order, my lord. The instruction was called for from the finance.
Yes.
And the
Update
award was-
instruction is regards the disbursement of awarded compensation amount to the petitioner, huh? Yes. Finance. Who has to pay? Who has to release?
Finance.
Who has to disburse?
Disburse will made by the DLSA Dhuri, my lord, but subject to payment by the finance. Made by the finance.
For victim compensation.
Victim compensation.
For that reason, my lord, there will have to be a proposal from the concerned department, my lord.
No, your final order has already been passed.
Yes.
Interim compensation is also awarded.
My lord. No, for the balance one, my lord, there will have to be some proposal.
Where's that final order?
My lord, page 44.
Huh?
Page 44, my lord.
This by whom?
My lord, it is by my lord Secretary DLSA and the same was approved by the Chairman DLSA. Dhuri. Yes, 44.
Lordship will give me 7 days time, my lord, let me have the answer. What is the status of the payment?
And the my lord award is passed on my lord 2nd of January 2025, my lord. And there was with Yale, my lord kindly come to page 48. And operative part, my lord, page 49. A letter was submitted by the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam Home and Political Department, my lord, where in the first paragraph, my lord, is required to clear the past liabilities
No,
before.
any proposal has been sent from DLSA
My lord, I cannot,
for release of the amount.
yeah, DLSA will say, my lord. Can say, my lord, that part, I cannot.
Well, let it be on coming, my lord, Friday, not this week. At least we will have the up-to-date instruction, my lord. Whether they are acting upon it or not. In that case, my lordship will dispose it upon the next day.
My lord, next.
Because this is an order only, my lord. It will have to be implemented. Page 44.
That's 44.
Yes,
Granting
lordship can
you
do that, my lord, yes.
1 month time to
Lordship.
release and disburse.
My lord.
All right.
My lord, my lord.
Heard Mr.
Yeah, Hussain.
Emotion and Council for Definition. Also heard Mr. J. Hendik. Also, B. Gobel
My lord.
and Council, London. You are additional advocate general.
I can appear for all, my lord.
Additional Advocate General for
Legal service.
respondents. And Mr. Chaudhary. R.H. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Council, Assam Legal Service Authority.
Yes.
For respondent number 3.
1 to 4 5.
Next para. Petitioner is the wife of one that Farhadul Islam, alias Farhadul Islam, who was killed in an accident on 13/02/2010 to 14/02/2000. In an incident, incident on 13/02/2010 to 14/02/2010, resulting in the registration of Ilasipara Police Station case number 140 2010 under section 30. Next paragraph. It is the contention of the petitioner that under the victim compensation scheme, petitioner was on a scheme on the application. The petitioner was initially paid an interim compensation amount of rupees 1,25,000. On 21/01/2020, Mr. Thereafter, by an order dated 10/12/2024, the District Legal Service Authority, Hubli, Assam, has passed the final order allowing an amount of rupees 5 lakhs as compensation. It is submitted that after the interim compensation amount of rupees 1,25,000, the remaining amount of rupees 3,75,000 disbursed to the petitioner. Despite the final order dated 10/12/2024. Therefore, press for a direction to release and disburse the disburse the amount of rupees 3,75,000 as a final victim compensation. Others. Next paragraph. Mr. B. Bogo and Mr. Learned Additional Advocate General and Mr. Arach Chaudhary, Learned Standing Council for Legal Service Authority. Assam. State Legal Service Authority. They have only submitted to District Legal Service Authority. They have submitted. This is the petitioner and is entitled to get the compensation, victim compensation under the scheme, and the final order having been passed by the council authority and by the order dated 10/12/2010. The competent authority may be directed to release and disperse the remaining amount of rupees 3,75,000 to the petitioner by providing within a reasonable time. Having considered that the petitioner is entitled compensation under the compensation scheme. And the petitioner having been paid an interim compensation of rupees 1,25,000. Thereafter, a final order having been passed on 10/12/2024. I deem it appropriate to dispose of this writ petition with the direction to the respondent authorities to release and disperse the amount of rupees 3,75,000 as a final compensation to the petitioner accordingly. The respondents are directed to release and dispose of the remaining amount of compensation of rupees 3,75,000 to the petitioner within a period of 1 month from today.
2 months, my lord.
2 months.
After all, he has got the order now, my lord. I will communicate.
2 months.
2 months, my lord. That is the outer limit now.
2 months from today. The petition is allowed and disposed.
62 or
Same, my lord.
same, my lord.
60?
62, my lord. Award dated, award, my lord, page 97.
62 also.
Or 62 also.
Item 62.
Item 62.
Same
Yeah.
out of arrears is out of same.
Yes, no, my lord, different case, my lord. Page 97 is the award.
2.5 lakh.
No,
Huh?
total 5
2.5
lakhs.
lakhs.
No, the
Here, total 5 lakhs. my lord.
the order has been passed.
Yes, my lord, page 97.
97.
Yes, my lord. And operative part, my lord, 98.
97. Page 97.
97. And operative part, 98, my lord.
Amount to be awarded to implement.
First, let an amount of rupees 250 be awarded to applicant Monora, the wife of the deceased, an amount of rupees 50 to Surman Ali, the father of the deceased, and an amount of rupees 50 each of the to the children of the deceased, so and so, so and so. 4 children. Total 5 lakhs. Right.
This is order. This is order.
Yes, my lord.
Final order. There is no interim compensation.
No, no, final, my lord. This is the final.
In terms of this order, my lord, because in the
Uh,
last
there is
para, it
a-
says, my lord, that 75% shall be kept as a fixed deposit.
Hmm.
And remaining shares shall be available for immediate.
Where it is?
Page 98, my lord. Second para.
Final order will be 2310, 2024. This is a case out of
A case out of, my lord, there is a judgment, my lord, started from page, my lord, page 20. In this case, my lord, some accused persons are convicted, my lord. Operative part, my lord, page 88. There is a direction in paragraph 92, my lord. Just compensation to the victim has to be fixed having regard to the matter so and so, so and so. My lord, paragraph 92. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner submitted an application, page 92.
Then you read, facts are different,
Facts are different.
only the, under the same scheme only.
Yes, same is.
Same scheme. At Mr. So-and-so, and same party, huh? By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for compensation under the victim compensation scheme. For an amount of rupees 5 lakhs. Only one petitioner here.
Yes, 5 is the petitioner. madam.
The next petitioner is the wife of late Mazhar Ali. Lived with the dagger by some individuals, some persons on 11/4/2009, resulting in the death of the said Mazhar Ali in the incident. The session judge in session case number 66/2006 has recommended payment of compensation in respect of the death of the said Mazhar Ali in terms of the provisions of section what? What is this?
357A.
357 of CRPC.
CRPC. madam.
Next para. The competent authority passed the final order on 23/10/2024, which has extracted here in below. Page 98, huh?
96.
90. Sorry, page 97, last para, huh? You just extracted from the statement of the family members, huh? Last para. So and so, then page 98, huh? Next para. The learned counsel parties have clearly submitted that the petitioner and other relative of the dependent of late Mazhar Ali entitled to the amount of compensation of 5 lakhs as directed by the competent authority. This the next para. Having considered that the petitioner and the petitioner being the wife of late Mazhar Ali, other relatives of the dependent, and the final order having been passed, providing the manner and share of the compensation amount of rupees 5 lakhs. I did not appropriate to dispose of this writ petition with the direction to the petitioner a direction to the respondent authorities to release and disburse the amount as indicated in the final. As for the final order dated 32/10/2024, as per the order, not the final, as per the order, huh? Just accordingly. An amount of, will you just apportionment, so and so, so and so, shall be released to the petitioner and her relatives of the dependents who, within a period of 3 months, 2 months from today, with petition allowed and displayed.
God bless.
Question before your lordship, challenging the order filling my GST registration, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, during when the goods were en route, your lordship, government of West Bengal, they have detained my vehicle. First, your lordship may kindly come to so-cause notice that your lordship will find at page
What happened?
60, your lordship.
And the affidavit has been
They,
filed.
they have filed, my lord.
Saying
The
what?
question, my lord, they are saying that, but in the so-cause notice, my lord, they are defending their so-called notice and order which is culminated into cancellation of registration. But my lord, the question is, my lord, whether so-called notice, without disclosing, my lord, details of fraud, they are alleging fraud. Simply, my lord, they have, my lord, reproduced section 29 to small e. And on the same situated, my lord, condition, my lord, Honorable Telangana High Court, my lord, has set aside so-called notice and remanded back the matter. So my humble, first your lordship may kindly see 60, then I will place judgment and all, my lord. Page 60, my lord, so-called notice.
We'll hear you.
My lord, but my lord, I
Are
can't.
you ready?
Lordship, my lord. Page 60, my lord.
Page
60. Here,
Yes.
lordship will see dated 10/7/2015. So-called notice for cancellation of registration. Whereas on the basis of information which has come to my notice, it appears that your registration is liable to be cancelled for the following reasons. Thereafter, section 29(2)(e), registration obtained by means of fraud, willful misstatement or suppression of facts. My lord, this is the section, my lord. What they have done, they have reproduced the section. They have not given any details, what type of fraud, what type of misappropriation. They have not disclosed anything, my lord. Moreover, your lordship, the day it was issued, thereafter, my lord, you are hereby furnished the reply to the notice within 7 days from the date of service. You are hereby directed to appear before so and so. If you fail thereafter, please note that the registration stands suspended with effect from 10/7/2025. That day they have issued so-called notice, my lord. From that day, my lord, my registration was suspended by the authority. My lord, in the notice, if your lordship will see, there is not a single whisper that whether they are going to suspend my, cancel my registration retrospectively or not. So-called notice does not disclose so, your lordship. When the same question came up before Honorable Delhi High Court held that in the so-called notice, if they are going to cancel my registration retrospectively from the day it was issued, then they have to disclose this, my lord. That they have not done. Thereafter, your lordship kindly come to page 61 is, my lord, invoices and all. When the goods were, my lord, on 10, my lord, so-called notice was issued, or on that day it was suspended also. When my vehicle was en route, because I was not aware that my goods is going to be cancelled or suspended. So what the authority has done, when it was crossing state of West Bengal, my lord, page 71 and all, they have detained my vehicle on the ground that to verify the genuineness of my documents, that all the documents are there, And because my GST registration has been suspended on that ground, your lordship. So on that score, my lord, I cannot be held responsible, my lord, because when the goods were sent, at that time, my lord, my GST registration was not suspended. When goods were, vehicle was crossing West Bengal, then on 10th evening, it was suspended. So on that ground, they have detained my, that judgment, or I will also place, my lord, whether the GST authority of West Bengal can do so or not. Thereafter, my lord, can we come to cancellation order, page 86. May I read, your lordship? This has reference to so-called notice issued on so and so, where the reply to so-called has not been submitted, whereas so and so and so.
Why you have not submitted so-cause?
My lord, because I approached this honorable court.
Huh?
This honorable court, because this is second round of litigation, my lord.
Hmm?
Matter was pending before this honorable court. During the pendency of my lord writ petition, they have cancelled my GST registration. So that's why I withdraw that and this honorable court passed in the first round of litigation interim order also, my lord, page 87. I have liberty was given to me to file a phrase. And in the meantime, page 87 is the first round of litigation order. Judgments of the page first round of litigation, my lord, page 89, my lord. And relevant page, my lord, 90, it starts from 90. And 91 is the, my lord. This honorable court directed them not to take any coercive measure, your lordship, and I was given liberty to file, my lord, a phrase. That's why I am before your lordship, my lord.
Where is the cancellation?
Cancellation, my lord. Page 86, my lord.
You are challenging this?
Yes, my lord. I am challenging so-called notice as well as cancellation, page 86. As well as, my lord, detention of my vehicle. So far as my detention part is concerned, my lord may adjudicate so far as my cancellation and detention, my lord, if your lordship, I may approach to, my lord, the concerned authority, my lord, because the disputed question of facts are there. So I will apply. Decisions, your lordship, of different high courts.
What decision? I have not heard you fully. Why should go into the decision?
No, this is the question, a simple question, my lord.
What simple question?
My lord, whether, my lord, whether without disclosing what is the, my lord, fraud, whether disclosing the nature of, in fact, so-called notice has not disclosed anything except reproducing section 29. And that's why Telangana High Court says it violates Article 21, your lordship. Exactly. On the
Even you said that you'll file the reply.
No, I have not said.
The earlier,
my lord, that was submitted, my lord. It was submitted before the authority.
Challenge
regarding, my lord, revocation of cancellation, my lord. Regarding revocation, that I have already filed. Regarding revocation, my lord.
Just read petition from 7 days from today. No question is taken. So you have not filed reply.
Regarding, my lord, they dispute question of facts, my lord. So far as law is concerned, my lord, that I am apprising, lordship. Facts I am not entering, your lordship. What is law, my lord? So-called notice has to be, my lord, precise, my lord.
Well, see, it's that when you have, these grounds also can be taken in the reply.
My lord.
In reply, when you are so-called is issued to you.
My lord. That we have, in revocation, we have taken, my lord. In revocation of my registration.
When you have taken?
Before the authority, my lord. As per the order passed by
After
London.
the cancellation.
My lord. There I have taken all the ground.
When you had first initially issued a notice,
My lord.
you have not filed any reply.
My lord,
Then there's a record,
I-
consequently, when you have not filed any reply, this cancellation of
My lord,
registration-
what has happened, my lord? When we issued notice on 10th, on same day they have suspended my GST registration. I approached this honorable court. This honorable court, during the pendency of writ petition, notice was issued to the respondent. During the pendency, so-called notice was culminated into cancellation, your lordship. So this honorable court has given me liberty to file a phrase challenging the cancellation order. In the meantime, my lord, no coercive measure was directed to take no coercive measure so far as the respondent West Bengal, your lordship, because they may confiscate my vehicle and goods, your lordship. So what I am submitting, my lord, if your lordship for a moment, my lord, Telangana High Court.
Mr. A. Goyal, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard.
Lordship, I'm S. Chetia for Expert Number, Lordship, 3 and 4.
Which for one? One.
I'm for 2 and 3, Lordship.
5, 6 and 7 I am appearing.
All of them.
You go away 5, 6 and 7.
Writ petition is admitted for hearing.
My lord, I can't work, my lord. If your lordship may hear at this stage, my.
Just after 2 weeks. We'll hear after 2 weeks. All right.
Goods are in their custody, my lord. Damage charge I have to pay, my lord, daily, your lordship.
For 2 weeks, we'll see.
My lord.
We'll hear.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
We'll fix that
Date may kindly.
after 2 weeks.
Element December. Oblige, my lord.
I'm afraid.
Yes, send him, give it back. Item.
May it please, your lordship.
2017.
Yes, my lord. My lord, as per office note dated 14/11/2025, service is complete upon order respondents, my lord. It may come up for admission.
Mr. So. Service is complete.
I am total respondent of
And
6 and
also
7.
so.
M. Montobler. 6 and 7.
Service is complete. List for admission after 3
My lord,
weeks.
it may be fixed, my lord. Senior advocate, Brinda Gopher, civil appear in this matter.
After 2 weeks, we'll see. After 3 weeks.
My lord, a long pending case, that's why. my lord.
Yes, after 3 weeks.
Blessed.
In item number 45, your lordship, I had received notice. I am the respondent number 5. I'm praying that matter may be adjourned for the day. I may be granted
2018.
2 weeks' time, your lordship, to file my.
What is the matter?
To file my counter. Okay.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, the matter is about the petitioner who filed an FIR, Lordship, and then after filing the FIR, after 2 days, in FIR in Borolu PS, Lordship, and then after filing the FIR, then after 2 days, he went there to inquire regarding the progress. So he was arrested on the ground that he sold the vehicle on his own to claim the insurance money. Yes, Lordship, that is well. And our prayer is to Lordship to reinvestigate the matter and to quash the final report and to direct the respondent number 3 for further investigation in the case. And to direct the respondent number 2 to direct the insurance company to entertain the insurance claim in the respect of stolen vehicle being
Yes.
Lordship, I'm for the insurance company of 4, but there are other issues, not just the insurance company had reported a claim on the basis the final report was against him. He said he was arrested, the informant was arrested, and also found that he was in touch with the thieves. His mobile was checked and they found him that a vehicle was sold in Dimapur. So even final report was against him, he filed a petition against the final report. Even that was dismissed. Lordship, after that, his remedy ought to have been revision or appeal, not that.
No, we have, Lordship, we filed this protest petition, but the protest petition was
Protest
rejected.
was also rejected.
But the final report should not have been filed by the police, by the IO, who has arrested him. And that's why we had prayed for reinvestigation of the matter, Lordship.
Why 226, why writ petition? Your protest petition was rejected.
Yes, Lord.
Lordship may come to page 42 and 43, Lordship. It's very clear.
Think over it. Yes, sir. Think over it. Up to you.
Yes.
You are equally, sir.
No revision was against.
And Mr. So-and-so, then counsel for the funds. And so-and-so, so-and-so. All, huh? You think over it, we'll take it after 2 weeks. May not be maintainable.
Yes, sir.
Right. On the prayer of so-and-so, you record all the name. Take the name. Oro. On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learn counsel for the petition. Is this matter after 2 weeks?
Press on the ground of maintainability.
Lordship, that should be on the ground of maintainability.
We'll see, let him let him think over it.
Yes,
All right. Well, this matter can be disposed of, otherwise it has become infructuous. The issue is this, the issue with the direction to the respondent.
Once it is become infructuous.
Why I am submitting. Petitioners, my lord, they are the members of this Indian Institute of Surveyors and Law Associates. Now they wanted to participate in the election. They have submitted their nominations. In the valid list, their names were there, but in the final list, their names were not there. So
Election is over.
Term is over, my lord, in
So
2021.
That is why the
Term
respondent.
is over in 21,
Everything.
2021.
Respondent number 1, 2, and 3, we granted the liberty to conduct fresh elections. My lord.
No, that is a subsequent thing, no?
No,
That will
they will
definitely
be-
do it.
Yes, they can do it, but otherwise
It's up
nothing
to them.
survives. Yes,
It's up to them.
yeah, up to them.
Your, the issue,
The issue is-
they're over now.
Yes, yes. So
That's
they,
only for the earlier terms,
yeah, earlier terms. So
which has been
because of,
expired now.
bank-
The set of rules, my lord, they can approach.
they-
Not Mr. No,
Edas,
Mr.
Edas.
Sir,
Edas,
Edas, Land
for the
Council for the Judiciary and Mr.
And Vidi Goswami, appearing for respondent number
Goswami for respondents.
3.
Three. And who else?
No, my lord, only
No.
1, 4, 2 and others are private respondents. They have not appeared. 1 and
Okay.
2, it has been served. They have
Who
not
have
appeared.
submitted? Who fairly submits that matter has become infructuous in view of the fact that the tenure for the, what?
2020.
Tenure for the office of, my lord,
Northeastern chapter, my lord.
Northern Scepter of.
Northeastern chapter of Indian
You,
Institute of.
you just, for the tenure of the office bearers,
Yes.
for the,
Of the respondent,
the
uh, body, of the respondent body.
what is that?
Indian respondent number 3, my Indian Institute of Insurance Surveyors and Loss Assessors. It's neither a statutory authority nor a registered society, madam.
Indian
No
Institute
direction
ARDA,
can
my
be
lord.
issued.
It is governed by the
Surveyors and Loss Assessors Notice Chapter.
chapter, yes. ma'am.
Respond number 3, yeah?
Yes.
Is already expired.
Expired.
Hmm. According to representation stands closed.
Not so.
And I am told, my lord, because of this pendency of this case, the elections are not being held.
No, they'll take a
So
call.
so if the respondent 3 may, my lord, be a liberty to conduct fresh elections.
It's okay.
There is a-
Once
that-
it
that-
infructuous,
Like the matter was infructuous at 10:30 of the day. To the-
10:30.
Because nothing
Not of
survived. Obliging.
May I please, your lordship?
closed, is in process.
Lordship, as per Laojima order dated 31st 10/2025, Lordship, service is completed. The matter may come for admission, Lordship.
Service, heard Mr. So service is complete. This for admission after 3 weeks.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I may be allowed some time to file the reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent.
Declared of MS so and so land counsel for the petition. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in reply.
Declare, your lordship.
Mr. So and so land counsel for the petition, respondent is present. Yes. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Maybe today it has come for orders.
Okay, reading sir, heard Mr. So and so. You,
I think petitioner counsel is not there.
yeah, no.
I am for the state respondent, sir.
Mr. So and so, land counsel for the petition.
I am additional advocate.
Additional advocate general. Appears for state respondents, some state readings are complete.
They are absent, my lord.
It's for admission. Accordingly, list the matter.
Well, they are absent.
Admission. I have recorded.
My.
3 weeks or 4 weeks, we'll say 4 weeks.
As your lordship. No,
4 weeks.
how long?
If they are not interested,
Maybe.
not appears for the petition on call. Service in respect of respondent file is complete. This for admission after 4 weeks.
May I please your lordship, my lord? Yes. Regarding the contempt petition, my lord. In the year, in the May 2024, my lord, they applied for permission for land sale transfer. This is not being granted. A petition was filed, order was passed on, my lord. Judgment passed, my lord, on 5/5/2025, my lord, page 14, my lord. The not only order, but details order is passed.
Who appears for the respondent number
My
one?
lord, the contempt, my lord, service is complete, my lord, as per the Lojima court's order, report dated, my lord, kindly have a look. Dated 12/11/25, my lord, Lojima court's order.
In respect, respondent number 2.
Two only, my lord, notice went only for 2 at this stage, my lord. But he is the main person who was supposed to execute the, my lord, the order. And in spite of being, it served on, my lord, there is an order, kindly see the date, my lord, 4/8/25.
Let's see. Heard Mr. So and so land counsel for the petition. Admit the services coming in respect of respondent number 2.
Sole respondent
Non
in this
appears
statement.
for the respondent number 2. Considering the, no. List the matter after 3 weeks, we'll see.
My lord,
We'll see, no, if nobody is appeared, what can we do?
my lord, your lordship, can my lord ask for any government advocate, Troy government to order him to personal appearance, my lord?
Who is
We
he?
are-
Who
We
is
are
he?
hanging, my lord, for
Who is he?
deputy commissioner, my lord, district commissioner, my lord. Well,
Who is
otherwise,
he? How-
we are hanging for last month,
Yes,
since
we
5,
will-
my lord,
let
since
us-
5, May 2024.
Let us see after 3 weeks.
My lord, can the date be fixed, my lord?
Give the date, let us see. Can you take instruction, he is a district commissioner?
She is no more in the district commissioner, my lord. She already been joined, my lord, she is my additional.
But it doesn't absolve if there is a contempt.
My lord, whether, my lord, that,
If he or she violates the order just because
do not know, my
transfer will not absolve.
my lord, that,
See, but that may be the reason.
Still moving,
We'll wait for her, respondent number 2.
my lord.
in the
providing
meantime, they have
opposite-
to, my
and
lord,
if the present incumbent is there, if he
all, Let him
Come
serve
to
a
this
copy.
transfer or change,
My lord.
you implement the new incumbent, we'll see.
Long
This respond number 2 will remain
My lord, my lord.
as
back,
a
my lord,
party,
she is
but then you implement the
new incumbent.
new incumbent.
She already well joined the additional chief secretary, the revenue department long back, my lord.
Long back not, it is received by him.
No.
It was, copy was received by him.
I don't know, my lord, if better to my lord.
You file it out.
My lord, I'll file it within the 2-3 days, my lord. Kindly
And
say
no-
short date, my lord, kindly.
Even then, my lord, then
Again,
you
you have to have the copy, it will take time. My lord.
Sir, even if you file, we'll have to issue notice to you.
Yes, yes, that's why, my lord.
You first file, whatever you want to do it, then we'll issue notice.
Okay.
No, my lord,
As on today, we'll say that.
my learned friend, lordship, my learned friend has served a copy of the earlier order, lordship, before the new incumbent. Then whether he can be, my lord, proceed that direction also.
Yes,
That
Better to
that-
file an application
If
before.
so transferred, really, my
But
lord.
it doesn't mean that if incumbent is transferred without complying the order of this court, he or he cannot be absolved.
Lordship.
Find it out.
That is,
I think it's better.
that is not DC deal. That is not on DC.
Yes, this is 3 weeks.
দিয়ে বেঁধে কোন নামে তাকে ইমপ্লিট করে দিয়ে
53. This is 51. 52. 52. No. John. Yeah. 53, yes.
Your lordship, steps has been taken.
Please respond number 8.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 8.
You are appearing.
Lordship.
Okay. And Mr. So learn consent for the applicant rate petition. What do you want?
Amendment may be allowed.
Huh?
That amendment application may be allowed.
For amendment.
Lordship, for aiding of, former respondent number 8 in the main lead petition.
Huh? This is for implement.
Implement, Lordship. Pardon, Lordship. Implement. Implement.
And Mr. So. Who is for other respondents? Assam. Who is for 1? Chief Secretary. No objection. Record your name. 1. Hendik. 2. MS T. Sutia. T.
3, 4, 5, and 6 also I have.
7 also.
7. Seven is the ballot that private respondent. The Moyo Tralukar by name.
Huh? By filing this application, the
8.
applicant has spread for implement of one Sri Anurag Agarwal in connected in the connected WPC 1579 of 2018 as respondent number 8. Respondent number 8. Next paragraph. What is the challenge in the rate petition?
The Lordship, the names of the petitioners were deleted in the order passed by the Guwahati Revenue Circle, Lordship.
Who is this respondent number 8?
Lordship, I am the co-pattadar of the writ petitioner, Lordship.
Your name has been deleted. The applicant public writ petition has filed the connected WPC so and so challenging the order dated 15/12/2015 issued by the Deputy Secretary to the Government Affairs of Revenue and Disaster Management Department. And the order of the circle officer, Guwahati Revenue Circle, whereby the name of the petitioner is deleted. Name of the petitioner has been deleted. In respect of what?
In respect of a land, Lordship.
Land of what? Land at what? In respect of joint property standing in the name of the petitioner and the Sri Anurag Agarwal, who is being sought to be implemented in this, in the connected so huh? Writ petition, the connected writ petition. Next period, Mr. So and so, learn concept of the, no, all of them, huh? Learn concept of the respondents. They are dismissed. They have no objection for including Sri Anurag Agarwal as he at least is it Agarwal, huh? Mr. Next paragraph, having considered that the respondent number, the one Sri, having considered that Sri Anurag Agarwal is a co-purchaser and jointly, estate will be jointly in possession of the land with the petition. Co-pattadar and owner of the land jointly with the petitioner. And plan of the, and also considering the, and the prayer for implement having been not posed by the land council with the parties. And of the considered the said Sri Anurag Agarwal appears to be a necessary party in the connected writ petition. Aforesaid connected writ petition is to recording the interlegal application is allowed. And then sorry, Anurag so and so is allowed to be implemented as Anurag respondent number 8 in the connected WPC so and so. The IA stands allowed and disposed of. Next para in writ petition in view of the order passed in IA so and so. The learned counsel to the petitioner to file amendments constituted On filing of the amended cost title, registered to incorporate the newly completed respond number 8.
Lots of. Much of.
May I please tell you, Lordship, pass over the matter for the day, Lordship.
This is the last case. What is the matter?
Lordship, brief is not with me, Lordship.
Implement. Will allow. Heard Mr. So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard
Begum on behalf of husband.
no objection. So and so, huh? This is an application seeking implement of the chief engineer, chief electrical inspector as party respondent number 5 in the connected WPC 5887 of 2024. Next paragraph. Having considered that the applicant, while filing the connected rate petition seeking compensation for death of the applicant's son due to electrocution on 12/02/2023 has inadvertently omitted to make party to the chief electrical inspector, and the prayer for improvement having been not opposed to by the learned counsel for the response, I deem it appropriate to allow this IA as the chief electrical inspector appears to be a necessary party for proper adjudication of the connected rate petition. Accordingly, the interview application stands alone. Accordingly, the chief electrical inspector, Assam Government of Housepet Complex, Dispur, be allowed to be implemented as party respond number 5 in the connected WPC number so and so, WPC so and so. I stands allowed and disposed of in view of the order passed so and so. Petitioners to same. You have to file amended cost title.
Copy of the decision was to ask, I appear to have responded on 5.
Record.